Touch the big PASSA. Passa, passa, Lord of mercy, watch ya now. Papa in the middle of the carelessness, babe. Passa, passa. Papa have kids, pan top of kids, and no mine on Lord. This is more than babe. Passa, passa, every day I'm gonna bar, gun, drink rum. What a careless father that Papa is. Papa him love rum more than him family now work a Charmaine. Money him a drink out Charmaine. Lock down the account, what stress now pan. Passa, passa, yes, him is a careless father. Babe, passa, passa, yes, him is a careless father. Babe, passa, passa, yes, him is a careless father. Oh, babe, passa.
Oi,
No problem.
you remember me?
Me?
So now we get caught, man.
Me?
What do you mean by me? You remember me?
No.
Eh? And they take me money and say I come check me. Me nobody check me again. My money me want now. Just run my bird.
You know what? Something else.
So me no want nothing. Name nothing. Me good. Just give me my money. Me no want nothing with no something else.
Why me not have money for me?
Want my money,
Me
man.
not have
Run
money
my
for me.
Run me money.
Me don't have any money.
Say me not my money. You have
Just
to
pen
find
up.
it. What you have to find somewhere.
How much
somehow.
did you give me again? 4 grand me did take from me, yes. 4 grand of money?
When you come to me, say belly hurt you. And you want money if you
My
come buy
belly
this
hurt me
and
for
buy
true.
that. In the 4 grand if I help you.
My belly there at me for
And the 4
true.
grand help you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, give me money.
I don't have money. So
why?
why you not want something else?
Me no want it. Me alright. Me done bleed down with girl picking nowadays. Me gone to God. Me turn Christian. Me back.
Cause me not gonna make you leave my friend cause I'm millionaires.
Link
Spend
your
it. Anyways,
friend. Me no
why
want
you
no
not want
good.
something there?
No, what you do me? Eh?
Something there?
What?
Something there?
What?
You sick?
Sick.
Ah! You know, not because you catch something.
Tell nobody something tell us about. You look at dirty guy named Jay, like a thick black girl.
I want to give the big A. She get the big A?
Right now, belly hurt me right now.
She get the big A?
Belly hurt me. I'm gonna die.
She a shot hard.
If I didn't shut the balance of bad.
She a shot hard.
Listen, no. I want God that I'm afraid to God that nobody tell nobody, you know. Do not tell nobody. You hear? So, just give me half or 4 grand and take next half. Just give me something back out right.
So like come
Yeah,
on to tell nobody. Give me food.
No, I get 2. Nobody walk and tell nobody.
2 grand I have to keep my mouth shut on 2 grand. I have to not make my mouth slip. So you have to just give me full 4 grand.
Keep it.
Okay,
Here,
good.
Keep it. Oh God. Hello, good day.
Good day.
How old are you?
18.
18. Still I go school or out school?
Out school.
So what you plan to be in the future?
Either a police or a soldier. Anyway, one of them.
A police or a soldier?
Yeah, one of them.
Would I advise if you be one lawyer, you know, because I tell you the truth, if you be police, you go antagonize the taxi man them and give them big problem.
Well, that's true because then that's too much father seatbelt. But anyways, that's what I want to do.
If you do that man in time, hungry like your money, I go on time into taxi operator, the man that not go good, the people not go like you. See, would I encourage you to be one lawyer so you can be something good in life and make the right type of money, you understand?
If me read things for change.
If you read things for change. and give you a better future.
Lawyer, better future.
Yeah, so just think about it instead of a big police.
But me think soldier and police are better.
No, see soldier them now, they're going to antagonize the scam of them. Get one little piece of bread.
Well, that's true, but soldier and police better.
Hello, I want to go right here, so. What is going on?
I'm can't frighten me, so.
Just stop.
Hey, young lady. Why you doing this with my man? Why you doing this with she?
Babes, me,
No babes, me. Hey, girl, why you doing this with my man? Let me ask you.
I discourage her fee.
Shut your mouth, yawa.
School matter.
You're a teacher, you're a lecturer. Where they don't advise nobody, you're a lecturer. You have subject. Hello, you me ask why you doing this with my man?
You stop me talking about school.
How I let that girl know someone? Hey, girl, you're me Emmanuel Road. Yes, when you see me, shut up. Yes, when you see me, man, you walk far from MA and hey, girl, around put me, you know. Me will be, babes, hold this, babes. Hey, girl, go so. Do so.
Jesus.
Speed. Where did you say with girl? No, Toppling, me can't believe it. Toppling said this is really. That's what you have to do.
Yo, me tell us if you top judge me, you know.
Jesus Christ.
I can't see me there, I can't see young girl.
You're a counselor?
Come see she walk up and down upon the road, me wonder if I beg she a beg her.
Counsel me. You can't counsel me, but you can't counsel girl pan road. Eh? You think me don't know you? Me know see I look at the therapist and I look at girl in front of Jesus Christ. Toppling for everything I me do for you. For every foolish I me put up on the really come on the road and give me bun. For people see me and laugh off of me dirty boy. You see, you. All men are dogs. I can't believe that Toppling really I give me bun on the streets.
All man are what?
Dogs. D-O-G-S. Dogs. See me I learn to spell and then you teach me. So all you know is a lecture girl. I don't have subject.
Calm down yourself, elephant. I want to you.
Oh, tell her shower. Me and get this. Jesus Christ.
You see me walk a look now, girl?
Toppling got this me for girl. So you really call me elephant for this because slubby so me so.
You know, just call me dog. Not even one dog, dogs. Look how much dogs you call me.
Oh my God, my heart is broken.
You ever see me walk a look, woman?
So what you do? What you doing?
When it come to cheating, now you are doing cheating.
Who me a cheat with? And you alone me have. You're the only man me have in my life.
So I'm too. Down at the rum bar with such man.
Babes, me and you both know say me no want them man there. Me and you both know say nyam me the jam with that man there. Can him out. Rip him out. You hear? That the man there now no look nothing for stand up me. What do you me tell you say me and him go hotel and him penis can't get up. It's flat. Little shrink up something say you can't get up. What do with that man there?
So that means me a side man then man if you can go hotel with man and strip naked and do all
Me
of
never strip naked with the man. Listen to me. The man hurry have the money. So I have to continue to entertain the man for the sheng. You see me I tell the man say me the breed. In they have nothing for breed. I'm an idiot. Cause me tell him say me a breed and he never go yes so. And then they think say me pregnant.
Listen to me. See your ways. You have got to change them.
Are you for change your ways and stop come on the road, come embarrass me and look woman in front of my face, stop thinking I'm not gonna take it.
Yo, so me now look no woman and that's a little girl. She just turned 18.
Don't advise nobody. You're an advisor. I never dealt with a counselor. Oh.
Yo, you don't know one way you do it. You could have been through much counseling you don't know. You have Romed, you have me, Mewa.
I'm a man.
What kind of man?
My personal man.
What kind of work me do?
You don't work and me take care of you.
See, they don't even know what kind of work me do.
But you don't work for trying me take care of you.
Listen to me, man.
So since you work, then give me your money.
Listen to me.
I want 15,000.
Listen to me. We're not talking about that. It's when the company road behave like a decent young woman.
I don't see no problem with this tent, you know.
You make me feel like I even want to walk with you on the road.
You got to walk with me because it's me. I feed you and clothes and put a roof over your head. So you got to walk what you say.
Stop load up your mouth and go on.
I'm not louding, I am whispering.
Stop going like you know no ambition, babes.
What you mean? Me are the ambitious. What I want to name? Me the ambitious girl in this community. What you mean by me not an ambition?
Too much people make a look out.
Them lucky.
You talk.
If you follow people, you know it's no way that life, but then go and watch, because probably live better than them. Last week, me hear this, when I mama they put him out, they say I be a dirty dress in the house.
You know, I like them style, you know.
Come go up in the yard.
I'm bored of me chat to come people. What they take
Making people out, because people, man, I play
I'll phone, watch it.
room for rent, for apply even when one run out, two running. Come
Man,
here.
listen to me.
We are go up here, we are go up and I left you out here.
Go on like you have sense and stop going.
Come on, let's stop playing, mama can't tell the mama talking, let's go.
You need to deal with me better, you know.
Okay, Hazy, come on, we are go up.
You can start dealing with me better.
Mama say up on the road, no girl.
But you go for a record here.
Come on.
Huh. What, baby? You right?
Yeah.
We just a come from yours. Hey, where everybody there?
Oh. Big Chuck, she gone not too long, but her busy. She not there. Daddy him gone down a Kena mother. Gango. Must say look for a house or something like that. But I charge him, but I think he should charge her. Cause him the man Kena 19 plus years out of life and I'm gonna charge her. For what?
Who am I charge? Kena mother? Hey, me kind of see where I come from in a way. Because am I charge at the proper price?
What much is it? $20,000?
Boy, so if they, depending what tip I do still, it could have cost double. I mean, the thing so to me, I agree with you because him never look after her. If anything,
No.
the money should have go back to Kena.
Yeah, give Kena it. If I even say 10 grand.
Alright, because you know exactly where him a go with that the money.
From bar.
But you say Kena with him. So maybe Kena would have little sense and maybe the mother would have sense to put it car. Boy, me don't know how it goes so.
Me know, me can't understand them and for them drama. They must deal with that. Somebody must deal with smart and have sense. We can bring it up to him. Because him love money, you know. Him gonna take the money and less than a minute the money done.
You run bar.
And he not go pay him run bar bill them. You know, so
No.
just spend it out and
No, that's true.
And then he got trust on top of the bill there again.
And cause problem.
And now people come to you, come beg you for money. Or you them go want money. No.
Me never want to remember that again. That was a bad experience. But something I want to ask you. Now it's quiet. I didn't mean to ask you from yesterday.
What that?
Moody, now you turn 18. What you intend for doing in life?
What you intend to do? When me I did 17, you know, they might tell me about me can't have a boyfriend and nothing, but now me at 18, me can't have man. But they can't tell me nothing.
Nobody run that down yet, baby girl. You know how your independence yet? Huh? Better you get your education full up or thank you, or start a business or go look at work or something. You can't stand in your daddy yard.
What make me can't handle the auntie Kena 20 and still live there?
Kena different. Kena just come with there. You born, you make, born and grow and still there, so you know betterment for your life.
What if you tell you sitting auntie me have one look boyfriend? Me have one look scammer boyfriend. Yeah. But me never want, me no want that here nobody more.
Moody. Moody.
What me do?
You have sense. You're full of sense and you have education. You're a bright girl, you know. Me no want to see you waste it. You can't go with them, the boy. Them, the boy lead to destruction. Cause for one, when them successful, you know, a Budowa then go do, make them successful.
What they do?
Budowa. You must know what Budowa, right?
Yeah, we go search
and what fall off a headlamp and shoulder. Or if them not do that, them scan them own. Or stay away from this. So show your company and I tell you who you are. You don't want them the kind of boy. Them a boy. You know, hear me say man, them a no man. Them a boy too, cause them not even reach boy level. Moody, better you build yourself first, my girl. Huh?
So I them first stop talk to him.
We can't tell you what to do, you know. Cause you're headstrong from morning, you're born with your head strong. But me would advise you just stick with yourself. Cause bear trouble follow them the people.
I'm not gonna listen to you. Me I listen for true. I got to listen to what you say.
To tell me something, when last you go see Tash?
You know, so I could do that last week, but Daddy don't know.
Me go bring her clothes and things.
Daddy don't know, so I could do that, but I could do that last week.
Think him there in a denial still, but that's how it go, that's how it go. All we can do is pray. Can we see her eyes flitter, you know? Her eyes kind of go so and flicker, but then nothing. So, I don't know. But bear in mind what we say here.
Yeah.
Bear in mind what you say. Keep away from them.
I'm not gonna listen to you.
And start looking to what you are going to do in your life. You can't turn in your daddy life. In your daddy life, yes, but you must want better for yourself than what Papa do for you.
Yeah, Mom, better for myself, yes.
Get your own independence. Yeah? Nobody can tell you what to eat, when to eat it. Alright?
Yeah.
We want that for you. Kaya, could have fly them. Alright,
Anyways,
baby
Anthony, I'll
girl.
go for you.
Alright, me God. Walk good.
Yeah.
Hey girl, come here.
Awa.
Your man still at the ends.
No.
Oh, to be called last night. But he got through him phone or something. And I did see one girl, they have text him and talk.
What, me can't show you say me and him left.
So that means you're somebody else.
It's not me.
Oh, thank God you top tip, my man.
Anyways, you know, so we no fear cuss. We must be loving. You can't make over one man. Although we don't know each other. We no fear cuss over man.
Not true, so, but me did think I did you. And that's why.
Anyway,
We can't be friends. Or something.
I will pick them there.
What they say?
The beggar, cause a long time never hit them.
So me just be friends. I beg me not like people look big.
No, because a long time I hit them and me I see them here so now. Me say beg you want like come here your friend. Thanks.
So where I go?
Me there go there so.
Alright, come on.
You them did nice girl.
You girl ain't nice. It's a good movie. You know,
I know should I pick them there.
What
You girl, come here.
Are you sure that?
The one that the white me I call you. Come
Oh, I fight me. I can't fight him and fight me again.
I don't fight more and fight you.
Oh.
One. Want to leave me man them.
Okay.
So how much money you have?
You know, so me never dare talk to you. You told a little bit enough.
You just say,
Me want you to leave me man them alone.
Come Papa and Jambon and one of them. Yes. That's why she said that.
okay.
Me want you to leave Papa alone.
What Papa I want to?
What you say?
No, she said papaya. You not listen good, you know. She said not, she never said papaya.
Me swear
Papaya.
Papa me just say.
No, you not listen good at papaya, she said. Yes.
I want to whisper about.
Oh, it's papaya, she said.
Me swear Papa me here.
No, papaya. Listen
As
good,
I said
man.
before, want you leave me man them alone.
Alright.
Me don't want pick no while with you. Me don't want see up on the road and there nothing. Just leave me man them alone.
I hear you. Can't
Alright.
take the next beating.
Better not. Already, she me want all.
Good luck in a final. Come, me no see her no.
on.
Look for her.
All you, I shall hold you too.
Hold me.
I shall hold you too.
Papa, me walk and look for you. So you
Me
don't.
lost.
Me want know.
Me lost.
Me want know. So you don't know. You done the work now.
So all you know what me left with you with that work.
Nothing stay secret in the lane.
And you know the worst part of it. See, the work at $20,000 work, right? I'm say to her, I say, give me $10,000. Me fear enough to say, give me 10,000, right?
Me go down there with Nyan I go down there. Cause me not remember the year, you know, cause you know long me left hand.
20 years ago.
No,
You stop
19.
When you stop mine, you're the hotel.
19 year and couple months.
I'm glad you know.
Me not go down there. So down there deliver good enough, down there pretty. And it was nice still. Me not tell a lie. She elevate good.
Good. Happy
She elevate
for you.
good. It was nice. Me didn't do all the fuck at the AC, did well cool.
So where she there? Where my niece there?
No, I'm go spend a little time with my mother because according to she, my board cabinet is hot. And I summer now, so you know I go.
Okay. Me not
So-
run still.
So this my little cabinet.
Me a this you. Anybody would stay anywhere, you know, Popeye. But how you raise man. Me
So-
know.
We tell her, I say, give me the 10 grand, come here, go a bar, go drink later. I mean, well, you know how you go. When you have money, more the merrier, right? We did that, me a walk, you know, walk. She, you know, did that, and, you know, we did that, beg her to water, and she carry on juice and water, come give me. Very nice lady, not tell no lie, very nice lady. Carry juice and water, and we drink it. We ask them, say, nah, nothing can eat. So you carry out some mashed potato with some shrimp and
Yeah.
some salad on the side and
Kuyo.
eat that. We did that work. So boom, so to her, I say, big another drink in carry come. Drink it and then carry a bottle of water come and me belch and so me done do the work now. So you take out 2 grand. So if you pay me bus here. So me look at her and me say, why you laugh? Why you laughing?
No. Go on.
When me look for her, I say to her, I say, so are the 2 grand come me pay actually 1,000 go. I would actually pay about 1,000 come back. So I say to her, I'm a fear when me spend come, I have to go here reimburse me back. She look at me and say, what else me forgive? So I say, me I hear over the phone, what we bargain, say workmanship at 20 grand, so me will take 10 grand off of you, like how you are my daughter, mother. Me being a good man, right there, so. You know when she go look at me and say,
What?
you want me to carry you to the courthouse and open up a summons to the child where you miss? So me now, look at the one where me say, a child at 20, you know, so you can assume me. You make a call to a station, the officer say, yes, you can.
Okay.
You can sue that man.
Okay.
So the only option they could do, I have to take the 2 grand, but guess what? Me not get the 2 grand either. Me not get it.
Where you get Popeye?
Thank you, that's all. Thank you. I mean, just,
Boy,
can't haggy, me can't cuss.
you're lucky.
The blood in the boil because I mean the one pull down back the door, the door and the window they want me fix.
So, Papa, let me ask you a question. Now, what kind of work you go do, so? You expect actual money? Huh?
Just the door, one door me change and the window them me change out.
At the least you could have done. At the least you could have
So?
done. And you should have paid her for come make you come work.
And the dirty man when she live with couldn't do it?
Well, she obviously have a thing for dirty man. Eh?
No, me not dirty.
How you mean? You have your child, a girl child like that need more caring. Eh? And more things as a
Sister,
man
we
grow
don't
up.
understand. I was young and foolish back then.
And you're older and foolish back now.
How you call old?
You. For how the backside you can't have a 20-year-old daughter, eh? Know about her. Abandon her for 19 years, 2 decades, eh? And then when the mother come ask you, who did I mind her till she come a beautiful young girl, eh? And she come ask you if you do some little work, and you look at the woman and want to charge her. If I ever meet that woman, I would have want to shake her hand. No, nay. I would have hug her up because she gets sense now.
No, we don't understand. I'm a human. I am a human being, right? If I said I need 10 grand, what are you that? The man I work at bank, you know. The man is a bank teller.
So?
The man, hey,
Him is a hard-working man, and him obviously investing money instead of borrowing
when me
money.
sit down around the dining table and me I eat out of the plate, I can see myself in the plate. The plate, you know how my plate them marky and chippy. Cause they never drop. When they ask, I say, how me not sit down chip on your plate? He said the moment a plate drop and got a little crib, and dash it away and buy a new one. And I was like, me dash you a good woman.
You see, me always tell Angel and everybody, the greatest revenge is great success. You brute, you.
The woman have money.
I saw she have money. God bless her. After she
regret it.
Yes, I saw you regret it.
But I tell myself, I try my best. That's why let me come back. Right now, I want to ask you a question, you know, Mrs. Wait.
Another man again.
Wait, no. Hold on.
Oh, you forget a box too, you know.
No.
Man come in with knife and gun pound way.
No, none of that. Why you carry me go and hold your man? Yes. One tired. We take one picture. We just want like me take a picture with the man Kena and we just take it separate. We want carry the picture go and hold your man. And tired. So we can get her. So when we get her, we can live at the house and then put out that the man there. And me and I can live and we can have room. They want sit there, you know. One wine fridge, you know. Happy wine and champagne in that, you know. I want find the biggest woman man when we can pay. And tired. Even if we take our picture, print it, and pin it. Because my cousin did it already, you know. I said, pinning woman down in the yard. And just put it, dig dirt, and bury it in that. You have to bury it right in your house corner. Yes.
So how you know so much about it?
Because me have friend in a hit.
Okay.
But I'm afraid to go to him. Someone you know. Can me go there? And make me do it.
Come here, let me tell you something. Me look like a damn deal with them the things. Much less bring people down. Me ever bring people down yet?
Relax.
Anything me have for me and my picnic, me work damn hard for. Me must take you go them the place. Make it worse. You're not safe for better yourself. You're not safe for better your picnic. For hold on woman, you don't even know how she gets what she gets.
Sis, it go better. Come here, go closer to Kena and his mother. And we're going
No, don't do it and don't you ever ask me to do that again. He's a worthless dog.
You're bad mind.
Me bad mind?
You know something you're elevate
and
now.
You
And
really want to pay money for hold on somebody who worked damn hard for what them have? Raise your child that you should have raised.
I was there first. I was there in the picture first.
How she make her money?
Huh?
How she make her money?
She working.
Okay, you help her work?
No.
Oh, you help her get the job?
No.
Oh, so how the backside, how the BBC?
When we did left her, she did it on her face.
Oh, and then you put her upon her face, me know that.
Yes, that's my fault. I mean, you look how she did a work on one Chinese. I mean, I'm not confess to you, sis. I'm not going to no corner with you. She was working at a Chinese, right? And I was drinking out the money and smoke out the money, right? And we did a cheat on her with her best friend. And she find out and she forgive me because she said she had tried with me. For learn.
Jesus,
she can't me go give me one work. You remember the time I call you and tell her say me lose the job and me tell her say money for go deal with something for my daughter when in the No, I never daughter me tell her because I don't know about her. Me tell her about somebody daughter they meet in an accident. And you so kind hearted to send the 100,000. You remember the time?
The time you tell me Jonah daughter me.
Yeah. It was a lie. The 100,000 was for me to trick my woman making things to me I work at China. So each week me always take out money out of it, 15,000 out of it, and spend it towards the place. But then again she go find out, she see the receipt, find your name, and then find out and then go check it China, and then realize I'm in the work. I'm in the work for nobody. A bar, me go sit down at daytime.
Papa.
And then again, I mess up myself by cheating with our friend again.
Lord Jesus.
And eventually me left her for the friend. And when we go with the friend, the friend left me.
Good. How good?
If you want taxi, man.
How good?
I mean, I know if you sleep. That's why I come back home and stay in the board house until I get the other two picking them.
Jesus, Papa.
Me
You
regret it.
what, listener? Hey.
Alright, me talk drink now. If you make you...
And if it wasn't for the man coming with the hey,
No, me top drink.
Make me as bad as she be, me have little rating for you woman, you know. Cause not many women would have take her. But hey, I make me and she have to take up weapon for you.
Who?
And you run left way.
No,
When the man you pay him back, you pay him back.
Who, he last?
Make gunman come in a bar for we, make me and your woman have to run for we life. And defend you. But bitch, cho.
And that's what I'm about. We think I did back then. She did for dead.
That's why me give you money, come in no see you spend it pan run, but me no want you going a debt. Cause you full na raw.
Right now, me want done with that. Cause guess why? She can't cook no more like one time.
Can you not treat her right?
How me not treat her right?
When last you spend time with any of them? You just huggo, ha, ha, breed and run bar.
Alright, where you Rasta man there?
No worry about, hey.
Okay,
I saw me try tell me. Every minute you see me, you ask for him. I like how your sister harass your love. Because I want to know how, me not ask for your woman them so you know. And every minute you see me and me a lick you with the truth, you ask for my man. Why you try tell me, my brother?
What you try to say?
Me don't know what you try tell me because
every
minute you ask me from a Rasta man like say you are
because
him.
Because if you Rasta upon the beach with different women, that's why me I ask you. Where you Rasta there?
Oh.
So you see?
So you watch him?
No.
You watch him?
Alright.
Come and tell you some, me tell you some, me and him in a serious thing.
Let me confess to you then. Because I keep too much secret and they bother me. We got an experience. So we go check him mother. Yes, we go check him mother for ask for forgiveness. Yes, man. Never an experience. I remember to tell her. But
how the backside you didn't remember to tell me? How old this one be?
Me don't remember, you know. Me not remember to ask him mother, but me know me have an ex daughter.
You know, say God forgive me for this, but is the wrong human in a coma?
But
Tash should have there right now and you in the coma. The world would have safer.
She did show me a picture, but me not see it yet. So when the time come and she show me it, then we will consider.
You know yours?
And maybe the mama, me remember some of the letter off in her. So yeah, it's me. The mother nice and sweet, and I love her same way. She's beautiful.
Know what love mean, Papa? You don't know one hell what love mean.
Love is 4 letters. Love come with 4 different meaning. Me I tell her, my sister, me can't tell her. Love come with 4 different meaning. Because
Hooga, ha.
No.
That's the 4 meaning.
No. Love come with rich, love come with poverty, love come with suffer, love come with death. Which one you want? And you have to make up your mind which one you want. Alright.
Can't deal with you, know.
Me I go up so.
Go up so, me go down.
Check me down bar later.
West.
Check me bar later.
What ya? Oh, you know how long I not see you?
Why?
How long time I not see you?
Because me lucky now. Anyways, me I go down here back and split me spooky later, you know.
I go down here lucky because me I tell you, see, girl, they are worried over slippers. She see me and beat me over Papa's room. And then she see me already again early on and say she just warn me about her man. But me think so after she can fight me again. No, the one me take the red slippers from. Yeah, and she said she want to buck you.
So anyways, I go I always have one on the road. They can't put on better clothes.
No, my clothes them alone.
Turn around.
No, my clothes alone. Our clothes me now.
Y'all the hairstyle.
Made mad.
That's the one the bonnet. Anyways, I can contact me later about 4 o'clock down the bar because Miss Spooky go down this. I go try to get a piece of money at 5 because the baby I want to do an ultrasound.
So you think me I go stop you from getting money?
Oh. Answer question, how you gonna stop me from getting money?
Me don't know.
So you am preparing things?
No.
So where you got something to get the money?
Because you know say my mouth a go light. And chat what me know for chat.
So where you go chat to? Me not breathe for him?
Remember I sleep already.
Papa, you idiot. Papa, you know nothing. Wait till
Oh yeah, got in
wait till the hand there rum.
Oh!
You go down there, go rub him down, so rub down in here and say, baby, what's
take
up?
off the money for me and you.
Find a man for yourself. Me hardly can get look money. Cause every time I go there, look a big more sister did it. And a big more sister did it, somebody else. I don't like his sister.
I set up something.
If you come down, they connect me later. Probably we can try to money for him.
Alright, I'll check you down there.
Later?
Yeah.
Why, my sister, share me your thoughts.
The way I go, Payad?
Yeah, me I go get ready for go to a bar.
Bring a
Yes.
bar.
Your sister now, Kena, she not coming up. I don't know if she'll come up tomorrow or what. But she'll spend some time with her mother. She'll help her mother deal with some business because her mother rich, you know. Yes. Her mother rich girl.
So you don't want back your rich man?
She did poor when they didn't know her, but she rich.
You don't want her to rich, you know?
Huh?
Huh?
So you know why your father get him? Eh? If your father get her back, we hit the jackpot. Yes.
So go use the woman.
When by using one?
So you go want her back, you have feelings here same way?
Well, the feelings we are talking about, I don't understand what you're trying to say. But
Love connection.
oh, the love connection.
Yes.
I'm a daughter, mother, of course. She give me a
I
wonderful
don't think
daughter.
you love the lady same way, so you would have mind Kena.
Then the time.
Your woman gone from morning, he must come back by now though. And if you tired, you look a truck in the house.
So where you go? You feel like you
Yeah, me go auntie, me I go back to.
you feel like saying you are a woman?
Me going back to my auntie. Where you feel control a woman and I control a woman?
You just turned 18 what year, yeah? And I have to protect you because I don't want you breed and can't don't pick the control down for me.
Me say me I go down there to my auntie, she down there to the ground.
You see Tash in a coma, you go end up in a 6'6" down in the ground.
You
That-
got 12 foot 12. 2 you go bury.
You know, say your brain come bright.
You know no man as either. Go on up to your truck, go and get tired in the house. Show up there, the place dirty, the place one clean. And me if I go down and go move the table from in front to the back and dirty sit them and she cock up on table and sit down like she has statue.
Yo, no business with that. All you need to do is behave your damn self. Live for yourself.
But she say, only if me have a money man, I deal with me nice if me I give money, you know.
You find the money, man.
Go down to the bar, go on up.
You
No,
don't find the money, man.
no. And let me find out, me not tell you.
You know.
No.
You know work then, man. I play look a dirty foot boy you want to have sex with. Then look a dirty
So
foot.
tell us me I have sex.
You think me that? I know you're a cherry pick for you're 16, you know.
least
Probably
reach-
15.
at least reach
Probably
consent.
We know at 16, but probably before that.
No.
The taxi man,
Stop telling me about taxi man.
the dirty foot bike boy,
An angel man.
a your man, top tell life on people. It's your
No
man.
me I do with them they look
Yeah,
back
man.
foot like a boy.
And the brown one, what name? Dumpling man. Yes, I remember that
me not
boy.
dumpling man.
Yes, it's
Listen to me, daddy.
You take me there, you take
I
some
buy
chicken.
me one juice.
Me not have it. I feel go a bar.
That's if you buy me the juice. You rather go spend the money at bar where you're kill it before you get picked. This is me a dead for church. Suppose be the
I
road
to
lie.
murder me.
Suppose be the road lie and I dead. I'm say, daddy, want look water for drink me. I go there. They go left. Watch me dead.
Me pray for you. Yeah, but pray for you and sanctify for you. All me have all hope and pray you don't pregnant. That's all I
So if
want.
me dead, oh me I go pregnant.
Huh?
You know say now I'm good father.
Then if it dead, you know better for me. Yes. Me not have to mind you.
And
Me not have to feed you.
when me dead, I just come and strangle you.
You never hear them say.
I come and stifle you.
You put cross on me door with your horse shoes. You know it's
Not
one
a
of them-
thing no go so. So nobody figure say there.
Put up mirror on me yard. Don't worry.
We can pass the mirror.
You say she up there?
Supposed to.
Oh. I go up, come want and cook so me get some food.
You
before
know
me
get the
go
food. I
back.
look out ties too. She go give you. That's why you can't leave them at home. Burn you go and burn you come. Bye bye.
Am my woman that? Right. Yeah.
How we are go?
Huh?
What make you in a hurry?
Cause me a hurry up and take up some money and me have in it. You know say, you look a dirty woman. Eh? Killing a mother. Call me out of my yard. Right? And me telling her 20 grand for to do work. But to share my one time catty, you know, baby mother. Bam, bro. You say, all right, me take a 10, right? Me no go check her. Do the work, you know? I walk. I sweat, but I yam no. I yam. I told me I yam full of million drink. No one give me 10 grand, right? I look for me and give me bus here, $2,000. Some say me no want no bus here, me want my money. Cause me work, cause if they call another man.
So if you go, they go eat what the people them goods, most that him pay you for?
Shut up! Cause that's
The most that she pay you for?
Listen me. When me a work, yeah, that's why I don't like work for dirty nigga. I don't work for dirty nigga.
If you never want work for you, would go up there.
Huh?
If you never want work for you, would go up there.
Me no refuse money. $10,000 is enough for the day. That me go a China pack bag and I lift up every duty flower. 3,200 a day. That is enough for the day, right? It's just to change out a door and fix up a window. And then she called the station. So the police intelligence can sue me for all the years I miss for maintain the pitney.
That is right.
She don't bother give me the 2 grand. Because to me did they load up my mouth, she don't bother give me the 2 grand.
So when they just take it 2 grand and come down?
Me a big man. What me I do with 2 grand? 2 grand can't even buy one flask of rum again, you know. 2 grand can't buy that in a bar. Plus, me like when me like have my girl around me spend pan, you know. Right? So.
You say?
Huh?
What you just say?
Me like
have your girl them round
no,
spend pan. That's
my daughter me talk about.
Oh.
Yeah, my daughter them me talk about, man. Who else we could have talk about, eh? My daughter them me talk about, man. You have to believe in that.
Make sure.
Huh?
Make sure.
Make sure. Anyway. So, my sister no corrupt, you know. Corrupt bad, you know, because pick up on fear side, you know.
You pick up fear side too.
Huh?
You pick up on fear side too.
You pick up on fear side?
Yeah. Because he's a worthless man.
Pumpkin head. You pick up on fear side?
Yeah, he's a worthless man.
So if me worthless, what you do, yeah?
Don't worry yourself. Me have a reason why I'm here.
Oh.
I got my reason why I'm here.
A scrape me have. Are the old house you want?
In there?
Are the old house you want?
You have nothing in there?
A lot.
What?
So you eat every day?
Don't worry yourself how me eat every day.
How you sleep in there? You have your who?
Me not say nothing.
You have your who?
I don't say nothing. Me never say nothing.
You don't say what on the kid?
Tell me why you're here.
Me hear you say you have you.
Okay. You
so what you try to say?
Me not say nothing.
Sometimes I wonder what I do it, you know. Only in my rum stage, me look on you nice, you know. Because when you're under the rum, me not see certain things. But when me normal like, no. To me, you're just a pumpkin.
I don't know what me stop you for. Go on go do what you do.
But like you do, you're good. You know what I do now? I'll get your work on the road. So you can sweep up the road at morning time.
Why you not go do it? Or you have money so you fit do it and get extra money?
Nothing wrong with it, me done. Mag already. You tick and flumber.
Alright, well, alright. I'm okay.
You okay?
You can't go do it and come give me money.
So you feel like, say, me as a big man I love rum. Go a road, go work and come back and get the money? Huh? Me had...
Go on. Best thing you do, go on.
And you tell us something, you know.
When last I go look for your daughter?
Which one?
The one where in a coma.
Oh, she alright. Me now go to the hospital, go sit down and chat to somebody who can't chat to me. When in a coma. Me not had them the time there. Me, I'll be the better man. Yeah?
She did that already.
As much as
me not pray for her feelings.
As much as me might not mind my pitney, right? I mean that kill his father. Where just a while ago.
Me not wish she have dead, but me I say She not come for long enough now, man.
Make she
Why
done.
just
Make she
take the
done.
bird now for your head and for your sister head and just lay down and just bury him. That me a try to say.
Yeah, no, me know say heartless. So you want my...
You see what's like how they don't like me? I don't care who want live or who want dead right now.
Good news and bad news. I have a next daughter come here, but I don't know who yet. Me see mother today on the beach road. Yes, the mother tell me say never dash the belly in the carry hit.
You
So
see me I tell you say what list?
what that?
You could all have 100 pitney out there, they even know.
I am father of the year.
Every other 2 weeks,
I
get more
donate
pitney
my
coming out
sperm.
yard.
I go around and donate my sperm in the 14 parish.
Me no want
Yes.
no, make sure say she not come here and live, you know. Oh, cause me can't take no more headache.
Huh?
You're deaf?
Make sure she not come back and live.
Yes.
Where you ever contribute here?
No worry yourself.
Every day they say sit down in one place. You're big and lumber. Me have to dash at the table over there so because you lean up on every day.
When you're dead and me whole at night time and I know. You never know say me big.
Me never mean big that way there.
Oh.
Me like you same way. Every champion have a referee and a what you call it?
The best thing I do, you go on in.
Me soon come back down more. How much money you want?
10 grand. More go buy some things in our house run out. More go get some things.
And then again, me see you this morning take up one ketchup back and dash out a door. Never you do that again. You throw a little water in it and you shake it and use it. And the piece of soap they
I
wanna,
say you're stingy man.
the piece of soap they wanna dash
That
it.
ketchup done, so me throw it away. You see ketchup buckle, no
And
ketchup
say
in it.
work, and say work, yes so. You see the piece of soap them, every time on the bed, I want a little piece left, on the dash it through the window, them tap it.
So what you do with it?
Put in a one poly bag, pile them up. And when they reach good amount, you squeeze them in together.
And you can use the beard.
Have a great mind just hanging, you know.
Yeah, God, hang me, Papa, hang
On
me.
top, you soap wash your front.
Hang me.
You sick your faster. You never know that. Soap nothing going in your front. Use natural water wash out your
Who
virgin.
tells you soap going on my front?
We smell it last night, it never pleasant.
We don't in it though.
Where just a while ago? Where just a while ago? Eh? Don't know.
Stop,
Don't you know?
Freak me no man.
Don't know. Don't know.
Kill me. Kill me now.
Murder you.
Kill me.
We are say.
Oh my God.
We are say. Don't know.
Papa, let me go.
Don't know.
Let me go.
Me say don't know.
Let me hold.
Don't know. Don't know.
Papa, let me go. Let
You
me
know
go.
what?
You must feel like you can play.
Let's do.
Me a play with you. Me a play with you. And who you out talk?
Me sorry. Me sorry.
Alright, do it again, anyways.
Me sorry.
I third time I do this, you know. Do it again. You better go on where you go. Alright.
That's what better go in there. You alright?
Go on where you go. Go on.
Good evening.
Even.
I can't get to my room.
How much?
18, sir.
Oh, you're lucky, you know, cause you know, keep pitney rum, you know. You're 18 long time, cause I 18 plus, then it's funny back, you know. All right.
Oh, yeah, I get this.
Nasa!
Tell me that laugh.
Kaya bright.
I'm here, buddy. It seems like you're mad. You mad? You mad?
I'm gonna stop it laughing.
You mad?
Me say me want some rum.
You see? You just get a chance of getting rum, right? And you ask me about that. So we throw it out. In life, beggars not.
Me say more some of the rum. Me never said chatting rum. But anyways, ask you a question.
Where you ask me? Talk fast, you know? Cause I did. Talk fast.
You drunk? You drunk?
Put it on!
You drunk?
Laugh one more time.
You drunk? You look drunk.
I give me. I give me.
What look like to you? You drunk? But anyways, the rum done dash you. May I ask you a question? How much woman you have?
None.
How much woman you have?
None.
None? So Reddit was out to you. Reddit.
Concubines.
And my friend you this, sir? My friend you this, sir?
Do not deal with me, tell you. Like she's a concubine.
Anytime I see her, I'm going to tell her about this as concubine.
Yeah, man, I feel good luck.
Oh boy.
No, boy, for real. We had to do that so. Man, talk where did you do that so with me, man? Where did you do that, girl?
I just asked my question.
Hold on. Oh, some people start ask the question now. Hello. You can ask Junkie Man question where did you do that so. Don't touch me. The rest of the friggin'
Sister, you find back my niece?
Don't sister me.
You find back my niece?
not sister me. Where did you do that so?
You find back my
Girl,
niece?
I give you 3 hours to look for my child, you know. You remember?
You much days pass, you much days pass.
So, you don't come back again with my child, you come back again with man. Matter of fact,
Look here, I'm just,
let's say a country, you reach a town. Jesus Christ, from one.
I just come to ask this man for some of the rum
What's wrong? I am a man by rum.
and ask my question.
Girl, hold on. What is it?
You should have poisoned me, yo.
Remember what you? No matter with me, you know. I come on good terms. Right?
Sister.
Shut up your mouth.
No,
Shut up
this
your mouth.
funny. We are
Shut
not,
up.
sister. Is this funny of him ask you? This that really junking man you chat to?
What's wrong? What's wrong? Don't touch me, no. Don't touch me. Matafa, come here. Can you go like I say and what to deal with? Yeah. Where are you done yourself? Me tell you, say, you have to 3 hours me give girl for me picking. Where are you done yourself?
Me not find.
With me man, girl.
Yeah,
Why
me don't know. Me
want to beat them to be
no,
mad?
me and this junking man do in nothing.
Come on, man, jog one more time. Come on, jog one more time. But me go like him on the road. Come
Yeah,
machine. Come machine, junk one more time.
Yeah, defend
Come
man.
on,
You go
ATM.
defend your sister. You go defend your sister. Your niece, Muffy say. You go
Come here.
defend your niece.
Come here.
You know like me not see she.
Shut up.
Me for different. Oh,
Shut
come
up,
here.
shut up, shut up.
So who you defend man, but you're not
Shut up.
Me a
defend.
defend
You're my
ATM.
niece.
What
Shut
you
up,
mean?
shut up.
Me a
Your
defend
daughter.
the Pasha card. What did I tell you? You can't give me money?
Can you excuse her, please? Me a talk.
Shut up before me poop on you.
No, sir.
Who you call me?
This time, girl, stop it nice, no?
The man are really drunk.
Where's a bit? Call my man junk one more time, girl.
But defend your, but defend your daughter, sister. But defend your daughter.
You back in class.
But defend your daughter.
Oi, me talking to you. Where you just called me a while ago?
No, I threw your jump, babes. Me call it Hosey.
No, the A word.
Eh? The A word?
Yeah.
Junkie
Oh.
chat too.
The A word.
Yeah, where you just called me a while ago?
You not call the A word, babes.
A-T.
Time of this, call man, babes, go look for your daughter, my niece. How much days me not see she?
Don't touch me.
No, mommy, we are Atlanta, babes.
Atlanta, you can't find you can't find your niece, my niece.
I'm going to talk to your joke, man. They're going to say what she is.
Yeah, your man.
Well, babes, wait, give me 1 minute.
I go.
Oh, let me tell you something. Your daughter want to fuck.
Pick me knife. You
Me
can't
news.
tell the man me for picking it. And the man where they send down money for no yam. Shut up your blasted mouth. Where you come on so far? Wanna mess up my life? Me the chat to the friggin' man. You shut up your mouth. Me have to use it and post it on your throat. I feel like I see a big man. Oh.
Okay.
Anyways, as me did that to me husband.
You are your man.
Eh?
You are,
man?
you are your man, right?
I tell you my job.
You are your man.
Papa, I tell you my job. So because, voila. Can you come back here now? So because we come here on good terms. Yeah, boy, like I say, you want to back me up. Hey boy, you know me start your box? You remember who this here chat to?
Make it land. Box me. Germs, box me.
Yeah, we like her, Jerry. Must have made fiance, baby mother.
Wait, go check it out, man. The man where you can't come here and go like him dumb.
Are you alone, she have?
Yes, our brother, right?
Yes, you're my brother-in-law.
You still like how? Move, I see you. You still like how?
You could remember having
You still like
having
how I want to deform. In next one dumb, I made the whole one come out. This one I have done since I want next one dumb. I don't know how you never blind.
Let me ask you a question. You can't tell your sister to be a different company road. Eh? You can't tell her to be a different company road. Me, I think like, you see, all along in town, this so. I think, you know.
sister, your man a this yo. The dirty man.
Brush your dirty mouth before you come on the road. Eh? You can't change the shirt. You know you want shirt.
Come on, it's something for you.
I have 3 and 5 when I tell you what I 1 month you have on the same underpants for. Dirty boy. Hey, no can you see me calm down with it, you know. Me no want act like me baby, you know. That's why you see me come when I come class and me go to Emmanuel Road. Oh.
I'm gonna go and cut. This looks so festive.
Pinky. Let me ask you a question.
You know, no more.
How long now me not see you? How long now me not see you?
Oh. Well, listen to me. I went to the doctor and the doctor said, baby, don't ackle up. So me take a 1 hour, yes, babes, they give me $120,000 because me didn't take $120,000 to go do ultrasound. Yes. So we having a baby boy. Twin boy. Cause a pair, me not see nothing better sense, so me they give a twin.
How we coming out?
Me and you?
I mean, you push you out?
No, I mean the baby for you. Remember, someone tell us that anytime you kiss me, you get a baby. And if anytime you touch me, want baby make. So, you don't have to do sexual intercourse to baby make. Long as you go so, me pregnant. Long as you go so, me pregnant. So, me don't want to kiss, but long as you go so, me get pregnant. So, the amount of time you pregnant me, I told the baby them they lose. But 2 innocent, me don't want to say when I lose. So, the doctor said, don't wait for my blood pressure. So me go to ultrasound for $120,000. Then the doctor give me one baby bag for one next $50,000. Then she give me one medication of a take for one next $60,000. So all them $1,000 you go give me 2 back because I borrow me the bar from my sister. Right?
Yes, sister.
Right.
Bark from you.
Oh, me understand you. How much you say again the bill come to?
But my son really got so.
Okay, good. You touched me a while ago?
100, eh?
You touched me a while ago?
No, babes. 100.
You just touched me a while ago?
Yeah, but all you touch me, so I'm not pregnant.
No, me say if you touch me a while ago.
Yeah.
Good. The baby take back. Yes, me refund it.
No, babes.
Once you touch me,
Yeah,
once you touch me, your belly dash me.
No, it can't dash way.
See? You give me back.
I did not touch you.
But what's I make me a twin, so one still remained. Stop the foolish man. 120,000 plus the baby bag plus the
Take her out here.
Just give me sister this 60,000 where she borrow me and where she borrow from me and the 120,000 I will go. I want back my money.
How old are you?
18.
18. We are 18 years old. We are 18 years old. I do too much money.
Mommy just call one thing. We say she's in the hospital and she gets stroke.
Your mother takes stroke?
That's why you come up here. Mommy gets stroke.
Your mother gets stroke?
Yes,
Oh God. God, hold on. Hold on.
And I need $350,000.
Oh God, 360,000.
No, yeah, $370,000.
Oh God. You guess what? Make she dead and more rum for me.
What you say?
Yeah. Make she dead. It's more rum. You better go where you go.
The money there. Alright. So me grab the rum, you grab the money, run. But me gonna deal with you later. Grab the money, grab the rum.
Yeah, man. You grab the money, you grab the rum. You think tell me that high? Touch me.
Yeah, you know something feel like say yeah, catch. What are something they call? Loser.
Touch me. Touch me, man.
Wait. No. Mama tell us something.
Touch me.
Never say me pregnant.
One. Before we flash it on. One.
Go on. No, let me have a man talk.
You owe me for that, you know.
I'm okay.
I'll 500,000 for that.
Come here. Stop once, man. You know I love you, everything.
Yeah, me love you too.
What you know what? You're gonna be a bit cool.
Go on.
No, me and you have some merry time. What do you mean by go on?
What me say? Damn brat.
Hello, Papa, I want
What guys?
I beg I want money.
For do what?
To buy fruits and something from baby.
So, every time you want fruit to baby, I'm alone, you know?
I'm here there.
How much for the?
They can give more 50,000, everything goes cool to
50 what?
50,000.
You know what? I go and get money, but it's sure not 50,000. Hallelujah. Yabatapatu. Yeah. So yeah.
Come to you.
Hutch.
What you doing that's with me, man?
So me there tell you to say my man too.
Me there tell you to go hold you.
I'm tell you say my man too.
What you do with me, man, but you want 50,000
My man too.
Where you you for?
Me I'm there. Yes.
You in there? Me there tell you to go hold you.
Hour.
I'm hold you now.
And
Hi. Wagwan, yes, so. We are the little girl.
You see little girl where your brother take. Come fit take money for 50,000 come find now. 50,000 she come for.
But you know, say you will get in a trouble if you lick the little child.
Ask her how much.
You and my brother there?
yes.
Your brother go to prison one day, you know. 1 day. She say, your mom and papa there, he want money for buy fruit, but there's a ton of listen, you know. Me don't know if you buy fruit too, if I did the insect when I got or something.
Insect like a yo.
But this,
Big
let me tell you this.
Hi, nobody will eat in front of me. The two are go on, man. Nobody will eat in front of me. Hi, nobody will eat in front of me. All right, the two are go north and south and cool in
I
the
shall
head.
hold you tonight. Wait.
Run, little girl, run.
Me I go here talk to your brother. Warn him. All right.
Chaja. Brother, and next one. Eh? No.
You better beg me rum. I tell you, generalship, you know. You come here. You never buy rum from me, no, you know.
Hold on. How will I buy the rum?
Me?
Really? Where you get the money for buy the rum from?
Borrow it for your pension.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I don't know
So,
your brother.
as you were saying.
Yes, she's breathing, but it's not mine. But me just this time for help her. Can you know how you go?
So how you know son of yours?
I don't mind. What is farming this evening? Yeah?
Let me take a little more there, cause this one is sweet.
What time you tell the top follow me up?
But the baby wants something to eat.
Clear.
Tell him every time if you wait, man.
You can't wait so long. A long time you must suffer. And time you say, oh, you have money to buy fruits all now. What I'm gonna do? They call it again. They call it something. Ultrasound for the baby. I can't do ultrasound coming out.
That empty sack.
Baby in there. What you want?
Papa, you really believe so this one I carry baby for you?
My sister, I go and tell you the truth. That's why I come about something. Pure bullshit I go on nowadays. Cause she a breed, although me can't see the belly, I said.
Because me are slimmers and slimmers are breed.
Oh,
The belly
dear.
are Big. Lady toughness, they don't know nothing.
Me no know nothing. My brother, open me eye a little bit. Open me eye now. Open me eye. Quick, quick, quick.
Me eye open.
The rum gone. Open me eye.
Oh, me there, me there, me there.
Clear. Oh, clear. All this so. My
I
brother,
paint that.
me got painted last night. And guess who dep on our head top and mash up the rum at the helicopter. And I breathe for you. Me ass.
They could ignore it last night.
Ignore what?
So,
Baby, baby said you want exercise.
Baby what?
So, I'm going to exercise the baby. I'm going to drink some rum and baby come out in a rum.
Okay. Tom drunk and Tom fool, but him sister who a pay for everything. Me nah mind no empty sack.
so,
Yes. Which one of them? Me and breed.
so ready? The evidence in the head. You go paint it last night.
Pan head top.
By your head top. Not by your knee top, by your head top. And come out, no, I tell me you want fruit.
So daddy, you can afford to man on next week.
I don't want to just really want top.
This one not pregnant, my niece.
Don't touch me.
Say like me money.
And you bring him come here if you can tear off money off your father.
You know, sister scammer.
You know, mind your own blood.
What about scammer?
She a scammer.
Oh, I think you say she find scammer man.
She a scammer.
So, a scam, you try to scam me. Bravo. But guess what? It not gonna work. Cause of my sister pension I live off her. And to my sister now I make myself and give me the chance to spend some of the money. Right?
Share between me and you.
Clear. Let me see him to give you money again.
How much time you lay down together?
Enough time. More than 5 times.
Sis, between me and you, 2 daily time.
You told lie.
One, run at the back of the shop here, that is the first time.
Chacha, say you cheap.
The first time in war. And the second time, I go up in your yard and the junk, and I say I come to me take peace behind your house back.
My house back?
Yes.
Put it back. My money pay for it.
That's why.
Hey girl, you think say you quick. Well, I'm not doing nothing.
That's
Empty.
Give me that day
Yeah,
one.
back empty.
Give me
What
that
you
day
do?
one and my money I pay for it.
The back
Hey
empty.
girl, me will do you something, you know. Me will do you something right you know. Come now. Come now.
Talk to your wolf dog.
Say, if you think you're bad, put it down.
Only wolf dog.
Empty and full, put it down. My brother don't give you enough for my money already, you know.
You not give me none because all the time you give me money, you always take it back from me. The last time you give me 8,000, you beat me up, you told me you're going to take 8,000 from me.
Hush. Hush. Lift up. When he not give you nothing, lift up.
Me can go cook go sue you, me have evidence.
Go on, man. Go on, you little froze evidence. Lift up. Go on, man. She get the empty one.
anyway. You remember when they say I go check it out?
Hello.
Yeah, how much?
Me I still a pick me still live in the house, me still live on the roof, me sleep on the mattress so you buy me. Me hungry.
You are 18. Go to a station, right? And tell them say your father now feed you then say.
I reach 22 years. I am hungry. Yes, I come over there, go see the place upside and down. I go see the roof up in the ground and the ground up in the ceiling.
Ah, you turn up here. Make him a disrespect your brother like that.
No, she disrespecting her absent father, who not teach her no better, who never did fear.
The life for me, give me never get that.
Thank God, mommy and daddy never do that.
Huh?
Thank God, you never get that because me don't know how you come out the way you come out with few parents. This year, this year one
10 grand.
10 grand. How much you pay if you boom them? How much you want I boom them?
400.
4 and 4, 8. But that's 16 or something like that. We can't do count so good. I'm over here hungry. I can spend 10,000 on one back like this.
electric.
A current orange your body.
You are 18, right?
It could have been 81.
Listen me out. Listen me
You see
out.
how much picnic you have on the way, and how much barn, and how much start to grow. You cannot mind that one. How much pampers you buy give Kayla for the baby? How much you buy give the little girl? None. You know how she eating? Him eating her the one in the belly, you know how him eating? No. But every day you cook up a rum bar. Bar rum. Before me hungry. Tell us to go saka out your elephant over here. They go saka out. With the piece of mashed so they are wrong wait up for long now can't get done.
You don't talk?
Yes.
Yeah. You know, wank it up. All the while go check a little bite man. Right? I'm making saka you. And I give nothing. Send it back to my yard. I have to depend on me. Eh? Your own father.
The tree, you know. Yeah, they have to say me get money man. If me have money man, you not run. If me have money man, first me pack up and me left.
Talk to it in the car. All him do, you know, I sleep out with the bike boy. You know. And when him come back, tomorrow I have nothing, not even sugar. Not even sugar.
And all you do, make the young girl let me and me out. And when they come here,
I feel me money.
you're hungry.
I feel me money.
And your name stinker until you walk into the park.
I feel me money.
I know that, my niece. Me here say the one at him house, they with a close friend. One him drink with too. Yeah.
Wait a while ago.
Yeah, you're here. You're here. I mean, no, you know.
The one we're living at the house with me now. There with my close friend.
One more information? Figure it out.
Tom drunk and Tom fool.
Sis. Yeah, where we come from?
But hold on. Why is it man always make us a bun hotter for them? Look how much you are give bun to that girl, eh? As much as me not like her. But me see her there. She take up, mash it and put her life on the line and have to run for her life, sake of you. And how much bun you give her?
But me a man. She a woman.
So, when we give it sweeter.
No. A man can do what a man do and still be a lady. No.
Who tell on a man say we woman want be lady?
You can't do that. You know, it's comfort when a man has more than one wife.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have to have more than one wife.
Okay.
Because in Africa, as my culture, we can have many wives. As long as the man can afford it, he can have a more, a lot of wives. You understand?
Okay. You didn't know about African culture where the woman rule and the woman can have how much husband and the amount of husband she have, and them I still have a man up and mind the woman and treat the woman like an empress. You didn't know that, my niece?
We're in the backside Bible that day.
Me I talk about Bible. Me I talk about, hey, don't bring that to me. You talk African culture. Me I talk African culture.
In the Bible.
Me no business with that.
King Solomon has many wives, right? I want to be like King Solomon.
And you not have it like King Solomon, because the wife them go dead for hungry. When you can bury them one by one, 6'6" man, 12'12", cause them go suffer starvation. And I push them out there here, them go catch question work, them go full up of gas, and them go big till them bust.
That's why your head so big, because you know too much things in your head.
Part of life, at least my head not yam grass.
You sure to that one in a jacket?
Me did guide you in. When you are lie down, I go hooga ha ha. Me did guide you in.
Run around, turn around, please, because this tight all right now hit my stomach.
And this tight here.
I don't rum.
Can you tell me people can be drink and me hungry?
And I'm making feed you as a 18-year-old. As a 18-year-old, eh? As a 18-year-old, I'm making feed you. Me a big girl, run it over. Run it over.
What my niece?
Who is it?
Sell in my yard, no man.
If you go over, and me I go over.
Me soon meet you.
Anyway, that's it. Me now, like how me say me I get a new pick upon the way. Me don't know all him be, but me know say she supposed to be big, you know, cause long time me didn't know that the woman there, you know.
So what, bigger than Kana?
No, me not think so.
Sure.
But maybe me not sure. But it was a long time because I believe after, you know, we did talk to two of them in that one, you know, cause them are, you know.
Just two?
Them are cousin. Yeah, them are cousin.
Lord God.
So
hold on. If them are cousin, so can't have to call this one what?
cousin sister.
Lads,
Huh? No,
you not sick.
Oh,
You not feel sick.
with what?
You talked about Bible a little while ago. That is worse than Sodom. Hey, God destroy a whole village for that, you know?
Hello. God said we shall multiply the earth.
Yes, this is the thing with religion, you know. You pick and choose the part you don't like and
We
part
all sisters and brothers by God. Right? The Bible said, by the sweat of your blow, you shall eat bread. So the more you work for God, the more you eat bread.
San yam yam yam.
What you talking about? Sis, I did you that this, missus. I did you that. You shouldn't run. You shouldn't run. I will hold you. I can't be wrong.
What?
No, you good? Oh yeah, it I don't know.
But me a walk. Now down the road me a walk go.
Don't road big, me have to tell them they are go.
Down the road me just a walk my foot.
You know, say me and your friend longer time and thing, you know? But do you remember look who's coming to me the growing and tell the man to me pregnant and I feel like say a full time now, I want to stop. I want to do something else.
You have a point.
I want to do other business because I risk my life if you tell man to me pregnant and I not see belly or nothing.
You have a point because one of them I go kill you one of them day, yeah. See, you have a point.
But if you do other business, I know what kind of other business I do.
You can start off by buying some clothes or bag juice and
I
sell.
don't have time for that. There's something there. It's so hot. I don't have time for it.
So what kind of business you want to start then?
I want to make quick money.
Go scam then. Come here tell you one good business you don't want here.
So if you go sell bag juice,
Our clothes?
it's my clothes that I have on. You call them your clothes?
No.
Okay, so I get money from buy clothes to go sell.
Borrow it from bank.
I'm not pay them back and I can't lock me up.
You're really thief.
Me I same thing.
Which me I same thing. You see me a scam no man? I learn from the one where remember they take one at a time.
When you see me get nothing more tight because you still look the same. You look pop down. I'm tired out.
But I get a bright door.
What my friend?
How you go?
No, me I go up the road. You should say?
What my friend? You dumb? Are you deaf?
I want to see this done, friend.
Don't call her this. Don't call her this. Nobody do fight.
Oh, this is a dirty girl.
No, nobody appear no mind. We talk about down this about all that situation.
Yeah, see.
I want
So we have a big back friend for her.
and a big back friend.
Then what you do?
She just there come and she just come to me with her dirty girl something. I remember what she said, but I tell her say we must stop fight over man. Cause me never know say I did fear man. But between me and one next girl take over.
And you don't have the heart for your
Next girl
talk.
take over. Talk about what?
Like be friends.
So what happened?
You think
Me did know say I am man.
Me don't know if I know say I'm a man.
Okay, me never know.
No girl can
I did
take no
not
man
know.
or
I
take-
him come look me and say him single.
But after all, you know, so they go anybody in that things. Because when you go to book your pronouns and
And me top.
you know what I mean? This slut talk to him and can tell me say slang in my mouth.
Me top. Come, me never share message him say me break up with him. So come out of him business, true.
1, 2 me to them.
No, not me.
Girl,
Me to
you better see this come baby.
no girl where
No,
they take my man or they used to take money. Me say they would can't friend me up back. Because you take the next one.
No, me not do that.
If you take your next one, I broke your neck.
Me not do that.
So you say, come and see you. You have
You think me come like if you go take
man.
people man
Who man me take?
and talk about your breed for them?
And one man me ever take from me come in a papa. Him a the hungry. You never hear me name campaign nobody else down here. Nobody else.
You sure?
I'm doing a long time now.
Well, me no know as yet.
Doing a long enough, you know. And no hold on in the street, yeah. Not at all, no hold on. You piss a road, but no say piss.
You there a long time? You there a long time, right? It's different from Papa. Who she a take?
Me don't know. Ask her. I fear her whole. One of me I take him man with her, so me feel know that.
You go find out.
You can't find if I know my file clean, girl. Then you know same thing. I can't take people, man.
And one of them me take too.
That's
One of them me take too.
One man you take. You take
One.
walk foot man, bike man, car man. You know we.
And which one you take?
Junk
The
man.
workless man them.
At least you have money to spend.
Yes.
I try to say.
And in give money?
So if you spend money, if you spend money pan you.
You don't get no money.
My money I have to invest. No,
Yes, the money spend pan her.
money whatever, and then they cut.
Yes, the money spend pan her.
Coupon phone no head. You can't.
Don't worry about my
You want to
head.
invest.
Don't worry about my head.
Invest.
I
Invest.
don't want to know. That's not going to scam me.
Papa, I do not
Invest
want
on
you
the
neither.
clothes them.
But you must spend for me. That's the point.
Which one is spent on you?
And them last time going to talk
You
about
wish you
money,
did give your
and him
money.
Hey! Hey!
Continue.
Continue that now.
Continue.
And she just said she want buck yo. You remember that day one time we become friend? You remember that day we become friend and she said she want buck the one ya and the one ya she a talk.
The belly they are grow.
Come on, pregnant. Come on.
So yeah, do. Take my mom and money.
Of course.
She beat me already, so you have to go get your next beating.
So me can't run.
She beat me now. Go.
Why are you running? Eh?
I'm in the fighting mode now.
Why I can't run?
Take your beat. She beat me already.
Spoof of money at me kill you out here.
Me can't help you.
She beat me. You know, remember say you breed. Nobody go in there.
Me not going there, girl. Me nobody go there. You're a friend, not my friend.
She want me a beat one time. She
Fight for your friend.
People, man.
I'm going to take more and smarty, man.
You not stop take people, man. You not stop can people. I bet you stop. You bet you stop. Yeah, me.
Nobody kill. No. Me a beg for her. Nobody kill her.
Go and
Just
go save
warn
your
her.
friend.
Just. She strong.
Watch me out.
You know, tell the piece of seat right there, so.
You have problem? Dear just light. You have problem? What's wrong with you?
You want my problem? You know, tell that seat there, so.
Don't worry yourself.
You know that
Are you me there sit down pan?
He's up there. Come here, let me show you sitting. Come here, let me show you sitting.
Look here, don't play with me, you know. Oh.
Yes. Look on the black. Look on the black. It black. It black go through sufferation. They sit up on the black every day and night, morning, noon, and night. The black broke yesterday. Sit up on the black. And they say, "Oh, you're heavy."
You're 18 now. When you go look at work?
You're in your 30s. Why you not move out?
You don't have nothing in the house, you know. You don't see your other sister intelligent more, you.
At least
Come
she
on, man, at
intelligent.
full. You don't think of full
You
time.
need intelligence. Go and buy a bed bottom for the mattress so you tear down in there. Go and buy a new mattress. The mattress is rev out. It done.
So your belly big, you have to wear belly band as a slim as.
You see how for your one bigger, you know, we're none. At least me say my one bigger, me
thick.
weary.
Me thick.
You don't think you're
Me
big.
thick.
You're big.
Me thick. As a slim as your belly fi flat.
Don't worry about my flat belly, my big belly. Make my belly
Well,
stay and leave
I
it.
talk to my niece about flat belly. Eh?
Dry.
Pot kettle.
Patakos keke saying body black.
You know what happened?
What is wrong
Me
with
come
her?
out
She
and tell
make
her,
an effort.
Leave
Big.
Come out
so
for the
me
black.
see a big belly.
Oh,
It's
she
too
big
bad.
and
Don't worry.
look
That's
on
how me
black.
man love you, you know.
She sit
I
down
say your
on the
brother
black.
love me. Your brother love. Look. Your brother love you.
My brother
He
love
come see in a bed.
everything. Him love more than Jesus himself. My brother love everything.
Every day I get up the path for me. Walk path for me.
Me tell her, I say the
tired
black
that
tired
one,
her. Look how she
man.
do the black. Sit up on the black every day till the broke.
Jaja. Oh Lord.
Me tired that one now. Every day I do the path for me back. What me ever do to you?
Up on the ground with the internet me back.
You come, blah, blah, blah. You don't ask question. You just come path for me back. What they put me back for you?
That is between you and my brother. Me know you know them the conversation there. Talk
tell
to
that
my
one
brother.
now.
Where in there?
Don't ask me nothing.
Him there's some about the place now. I don't know where him there.
In the
I
round
must have
back.
gone around
In the
bar.
round back. Call him.
Carlo.
He can't ask you, your sister can't look for you.
We don't want to talk to her, you know. Cause Steve buy a bottle of rum yesterday, you know. One whole steel bottle of rum. We don't want to talk to her. You know.
Nobody talk lie. Nobody chat no lie from here, but whole buckle.
Why
It
you love
was
for me,
too
Arthur?
drink leave.
Why you love for me, Arthur?
Why you love me,
Now-
Melissa?
If you come back, I can't give you trouble every day.
Yeah.
Why you love rum bar so?
After my life. It's
I feel
my
auntie
life.
put you out go where she want go.
No, in a
And I fear money they spend
Every day.
every day. Plus you have bills over there to pay. You
So now
pay
him
any?
feel, no she feel
I
spend for the
wasn't
younger
talking to
brother.
you, no, you're not granny now. She not
That
granny.
be my
Oh,
woman.
now
sister
you
look
feel
how you-
spend on him. Now you just kill
Don't
out
worry
him at
yourself.
night time.
Don't worry
Buy
yourself.
rum, you kill him off. Man,
Him
I
a get
don't
better
like
than
him off.
money.
Your man.
He might get better than money. Yes.
I don't even
Him
think
and your
that.
man.
I don't even think that
Talking
worth black
of that.
brands much less silver nor gold.
Aye. Talking of that.
I'm going to the
Best thing you do go look
No,
work.
darling, no, my brother.
This is
Me
my
could never,
hot chick.
ever.
Hot
is-
chick,
between
hot chick,
you and
hot
she
chick. We make it look
and-
like eat at a road. Everybody they chat you.
Who they chat you? Like a go man
Hot
your bike. Look at you see say
Hot
bike
chick.
bunny pan in foot.
I feel foot for me for touch one.
Kill this man. I look a dirty football.
Only careless one there is you, cause you
same
walk
one
around
that
look
take
like them big
woman.
old idiot. The
The
same
same
one
one
that
that
they lie
take
down with their
woman.
woman, but she a
Okay.
yard worker.
He might take you door.
I can't.
He might take you.
Me would have never look
Cause
at
him
that.
bike bunny pan your
You
foot.
know how bike I'm on a bike?
A job one.
I'm alone missing with bike around here.
Well, I'm alone have bike, and I'm on the bike, man. If I do have bike, man, that is not your name.
Much time me pass on the road and see him. The last time I see him with she.
Talk how your PM in a chat say you want him in a things. Talk about that.
Hey.
Me pay who?
Talk say your PM in a daddy face.
So how you know that no say me pay him?
Cause it's stink around. And then our worst thing about it, this one I look like idiot.
And I
every day
drink
about your
with him.
chick, your wife, your tickers, and make it look like them big old jackass a road.
You see, she had a great one.
No, she try to teach
No.
you something.
Listen. Remember, you know, I was a bonner man and a girl back then, you know. When I bring him woman, you know, I could have dashed him away, you know.
Oh, you fi dash me away.
I could have dashed you away at birth.
Oh,
Flush you.
but you done let me go already. What you gonna do about it? Send me back?
As well as the
You're gonna
others.
take my life? Talk about here, your chuck right here. We make it look like coffee on the road. Where them office to say a pitney there, that if you're hungry, and you woman the bunny left, right, and center with
Pitney we have man out the road. Pitney we have big
and if me do have man,
Me nah look about no big
If me
pitney.
have man, that
Me tell you that. Me nah look about no
Where
big
that
bad
are you
girl.
push me out?
Let me tell you that.
Are you
so
push me out?
man, me
Your
push you
money
out, but I
not
want to look
spent
about
for me.
you.
Your money not spending on me.
When me cooking
And
there
I
to
do-
eat.
I don't want nothing you're cooking there, 'cause you can't even cook to
Sweet,
save
yo.
your life.
One, you know, at night me get up in my girl night and she me see in the pot. Sweet him.
Me cook me one of that show in the pot and cook me one for me.
Liar.
At this you're bringing me home.
Me I beg you do. She a hating. Take her with you.
Yes, you go look
Make
for.
And me I beg you do.
You
Man
deserve
up and be a
box.
man and be a father where you feel be and be the man of your life and stop make one thing in the day and make it look like them Claffy road.
You
You're trying to make man call you
woman
the
over
idiot.
your own picnic. You're worthless.
She a hating now.
Okay.
So
okay. So what about the one you forgot get the picture?
So who fi choose? Who if it choose? Who if it choose? I want him sex at night time.
The organ grinder. You take the picture of your other picnic that she don't know about. Eh?
You couldn't.
No, it has
No,
to stay allowed.
man, because
It's out
you're
to the
a big
public
man
already.
and everybody
She's
else
here.
know.
Where's Kayla going to go?
You going to leave and Kayla going to get your room.
No, you going to leave and Kayla sleep
Yes.
with my father. Kayla, come in. Kayla, can buy a bed.
Hey, shut up.
Don't tell me if you shut up because are you careless to go out there go dig up in everybody yam feel. I know I mind the damn picnic.
Number one, me nah come out. Number two, no taddy chair no can't take me out. Number four,
Hey.
I'm here
You
forever.
can't even count from
Hey.
2 to 4. Number 5,
Good
you
luck.
shall lift up yourself
I'm here
and come out.
forever.
Or forever, I get a bulldozer and lick down the piece of house
Hello.
and build a next
Lick
house
it
give me
down.
pa.
Hello.
Lick it down.
Hello.
You never can find
Hello.
food, but I want to lick it down.
You
for
know
me
worry about
different
no
house.
when me
I know.
I can build a house with my father like now.
I don't hope your man you go for me.
So, make you lick me.
I don't hope your man you go for me.
Me never tire crosses for me.
So why you don't want to leave?
So you have to wait here.
Unless you don't have anywhere to
You
Me
go.
don't
leave
know
when me
it.
want leave.
Unless you're one of the homeless rats.
Watch a thing. Watch a thing.
Repeat the word just a while.
I'm not even help.
Me
You know
sell.
my brother who you know.
Later, on the road. One buckler rum.
Yes. Very that.
Kitty,
Yeah, man, we're nice. Everything good. Everything good. The eye good. The Empress good. Everything good.
Oh, me very good.
Yeah, man, everybody good.
Wait, check out buy a buckler rum. I can buy the factory, you know. Which one I want?
Hi, let me teach you something, my niece.
No, obviously rum can bribe him out. Cause me not look at him, but me gonna give him rum.
Never ever you buy love and buy respect. Cause you not buy it. You
Then
buy
you buy if you give your brother money if you love you.
right?
No, I borrow it.
You buy it.
And when you more get it, when she go get it back.
Hello.
Pigeon head. Me and my family business is not
Okay,
your
alligator
coach's
head.
business.
All right, alligator head.
Yes. Me and my family business are one member of the family as well as the whole of lane. You they are a breed for, or not breed for, or they're for your back or your side for. So we family business, come out of it. Never
Okay,
you buy
speak,
love,
lizard,
you now
speak.
get it.
Why you not go on a road with the Humpty Dumpty?
Hello.
Yes, you're proud of your woman. Go sports with her.
She is the queen, you know.
Go sports with your
Where is
you're
it?
not
Where
queen,
is
you're
the crown?
empress. Go sports with your empress.
She treat me like a king.
Go sports with your empress.
I am
Why
a-
you have to hide your empress a yard?
I am an empire.
Why you have to hide her a yard?
So Empress.
And she defend you.
You know when me I go on road?
How much background me about Empress?
Stop chat about rum.
Anyway.
No, chat. It's entertaining.
Listen now, no. You have respect for her,
I
yeah?
have respect for my foot. Respect for who? She did push me out? What time I born? Which day? Which month? Which year?
She never push
What's
you,
the
but she
day?
a feed you now.
Feed who?
So, here I know.
You know how me eat at daytime?
Yeah.
Oh.
Food that she cook.
Food that who cook?
Good.
She.
Do I look hungry? Are people look hungry then?
No, you don't look hungry, you're hungry.
Okay.
No worry yourself. Remember say a bone to look for me and
You
Kena and
keep
give me, you know.
breathing.
Me go no born.
You want me call Kena? I told you not there.
Take a
Wait
hoe.
till she
No,
come.
take a hoe and say me give you
Wait
born.
till she come back here. I
Take a hoe now.
I feel me sister.
No, take a hoe.
I feel me sister, you know. I remember
If you can't take a hoe, you're a liar.
You see? No,
Take a hoe.
You give me the damn
Take a
bone.
hoe, say me give you born. Take a hoe. Wala.
And then
Take
tell
a
me,
hoe.
say, I
Well,
take a hoe.
auntie come see as proof. Me know what you know.
Wait, you never see when me give them.
No,
Take a vote.
relax.
Take a vote.
Thank God me know what you
No.
say.
Take a vote now.
Check no, man.
Oh, liar.
Take out.
You are the next. So the best thing you do is go out of the yard.
Hello. See? Tobacco. Very much chaser. You know, your husband have to sit down and
I
write
love this
himself.
because the more she go buy him and the less I come out of my pocket. So go on. How much chaser?
You know, we have to put it
10. Buy him 10 chaser.
We have to put it
Oh,
on
yes,
TikTok.
yes.
Chaser
You
rum.
get rum, you
No,
get
you have to
chaser
get a
too.
case of rum.
So,
and
yeah.
you and she drink
So,
it.
yeah,
You have to
yeah.
get a case.
Yeah, no.
We are going to turn it into the series next.
What?
Akima and Rose. Akima and Rose. Yes. Go on with the series. Me a listen.
We are chat.
Don't lick me. Don't touch my knees.
Hold on.
Hey, don't touch my knees. Don't touch my knees.
Jump.
Lick her, my knees. Lick her. Hey, how we are, girl? We are do. Hey. Don't touch my knees.
Right.
Manage your thing. Manage your toe. Manage your thing. Touch my knees, Nancy.
Cool, man.
Don't
Pop
touch
up
my
it
knees.
to one over here.
Then listen, talking
Cause me want to know how you are going to survive in a life. A bunny come in there, agree and a laugh. Come in now, do what you want me to do.
Hey, listen.
Buy him the case of rum.
Don't worry
Bye.
Buy
yourself.
him the cheese
Teacher,
of rum.
Don't worry yourself.
Teacher, someone I understand. My sister jealous of me, you know.
Very.
My sister jealous of you, because guess what? You meet a Rastaman, meet around the Rastaman for the one day, and the Rastaman get when you get and gone for the highway. You there with me, right? Me and you there right through storm. Me and there right through desert.
Aye.
Me and you right through the sea, the deepest ocean. Me and go all up to Perch Hill. You know that kind of night near your jaw some bungy.
But you know why me not do her bad? Because the two of you like and like is like. But it just make it easier.
Turn on, baby. Watch out. Look where you go, Jarvis.
Let me
Look
see.
at you grudge her.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Me grudge her. Yes, man. Me grudge her.
For your bumper.
What else me grudge her for? Come, man. You're woman and you're queen. You're supposed to list them out. Don't touch your knees. Don't do it.
That's what. You see,
You will come back?
The fan is, you know, I'm going to pay for this. for me, baby.
And me pay for it, so go on. Go
I borrow the money from you and me a pay.
You see, from you not pay me back, and me pay for it. Go on again.
198.
Me realize you know the full amount.
See it's the diamond there?
Action speed louder than words.
Red diamond.
I me love do action.
Custom
Me not
made.
talking with you.
Custom made. See all the signature. See all my signature on that stuff. Yeah.
And me ring you like a clothes.
So you don't know how the money come by and you walk up bar money for and you cannot you want over 300,000.
And the rest.
You just love walk and look for things to live.
Boy, you still can't run yet.
Say it again.
All you do is borrow money from
And where's she lie? Don't the lie she
you
tell.
have been
gone
over
too
the
low.
shop nearly
For the number higher than that.
and you cannot pay.
Go mind
And
you
you
pick
soon
me them
come to
Popeye. Then people can't cost you.
Lend me your money now.
It's your time today. I don't want no more money from you to borrow.
Yes, you witness that.
Yeah.
Oh God.
I don't want.
Me have to thank you. Me have to thank you.
Baby, come.
Because
buy
you
me
see
two
from
back
you
along.
come along, that's a blessing
Come
in
on
my
now.
life.
Me no want.
Thank you.
Me no want no more money from you.
Good, thank you. Thank you.
To my woman.
Yes, Miss CR.
Two back and see her buy me.
No, case she me here when she said I agreed to the case of rum. Case of rum. A case of rum you
Okay.
get.
She said she buy a case
No,
of rum.
because the 12
And she said she buy a whole factory.
Who's this?
Yeah.
Can't
When
even
they have, can't even buy jars. Come on, baby.
You can't even buy
Come on.
drugs yourself.
You can't even buy
Go and buy a
lollipop.
seat put outside and stop walking and broke up a black.
She invited you to the rum bar. You still there? What you doing, my brother?
No, me not go run back to early, but me a collect rum from her. Then,
You and she enjoy it. Full joy the rum.
but don't come over there and drink out of your kind of
Meet me out the road there. If you come now. If you go meet me,
here.
you're not go get the rum.
Yeah, here.
So if you come now, me gonna leave you.
One.
What? No, you good? Oh yeah, it doesn't know.
But me a walk. Down the road me a walk go.
Don't the road big, me have to tell them they are go.
Down the road me just a walk my foot.
You know, say me and your friend longer time and thing, you know? But do you remember look who's coming to me the growing and tell the man to me pregnant and you feel like say a full time now, I want to stop, I want to do something else.
You have a point.
I want to do other business because I risk my life to tell the man to me pregnant and I not see belly nor nothing.
You have a point cause one of them a go kill you one of them day, yeah. So you have a point.
But if I do other business, I know what kind of other business I do.
You can start off by buying some clothes or bag juice and
No,
sell.
I don't have time for that. There's something there. It's so in the heart. I don't have time for it.
So what kind of business you want to start then?
I want to make quick money.
Go scam then. Cause me I tell you one good business you don't want here.
So if you going to sell bag juice,
Our clothes.
it's my clothes that I have on? You call them your clothes?
No.
Okay, so I get money from buy clothes to go sell.
Borrow it from bank.
I not pay them back and I can't lock me up.
You're really thief.
Me I same thing.
Which may I same thing? You see me a scam no man? I learn from the one where remember they take one at a time.
When you still not get nothing more tight because you still look the same. You look pop down.
I'm tired out.
But I get a bright door.
What my friend?
How you go?
No, me I go up the road.
You should say?
What, my friend? You dumb? Are you deaf?
One thing you understand, friend.
We have all this.
Don't call her this. Nobody do fight.
Oh, is that dirty girl?
No, nobody appear no mind. We talk about down this about all that situation.
Yeah, see.
I want.
So we take a big back friend for her.
I'm a big back friend.
Then what you do?
She just come to me with her dirty girl. So I don't remember what she said, but I tell her say we must have fight over man. Cause I never know say I did fear man. But between me and one next girl take over.
And you don't have the heart for your
Next girl take over. Talk about what?
Like be friends.
So what happened?
Me did know say I am man.
Me don't know if I know say I'm a man.
Okay, me never know.
No girl can.
I did not know. Him come look me and say him single.
But after we just go anybody in that thing, when you go to book your proneness and
And me top.
you know what I mean? Slut talk to him and get him say slang in my mouth.
Me top. Come, me never share message when say me break up with him. So come out of business, true.
1 2 me to them.
No, not me.
Girl,
Me to
you better see how this come baby.
no girl where take my man or they used to take money. Me say they would can't friend me up back cause you take the next one.
No, me not do that.
If you take your next one, I broke your neck.
Me not do that.
So you say, come and see you.
You think me come like if you go take people man and talk about your breed for them?
And one man me ever take from me come in a papa. Him a the hungry. You never hear me name come from nobody else down here. Nobody else.
You sure?
I'm doing a long time now.
Well, me don't know as yet.
You doing a long enough you know. And no hold down on the street here. Not at all no hold down. You piss and road but no say piss.
You there a long time? You there a long time, right? Different from Papa, who she take?
Me don't know. Ask her. I fear her whole. I know me I take him man with her so me friend with that.
You go find out.
You can't find a friend now. My file clean girl. Me ain't same thing. Me never can take people man.
And one of them me take too. One of them me take too.
One man you take. You take
One.
walk foot man, bike man, car man. You know who you
And which one you take?
Junk
The workless man them.
At least you have money to spend.
Yes.
I try to say.
And you get money?
So if you spend money, if you spend money pan you.
You don't get no money.
My money I have to invest.
You see money spend pan her?
Whatever, and then they cut
You see money spend pan her?
Coupon phone head. You can't.
Don't worry about my
If you want
head.
to invest,
Don't worry about my head.
Invest.
I don't want to know. That's not going to scam me.
Papa, I do not want
on
you
the
neither.
clothes
But
them.
you must spend on me. That's the point.
Which one is spent on you?
And them last time going to talk
You
about
wish you
money.
did give your
And him
money.
Hey! Hey!
Continue.
Continue that now.
Continue.
And she said she want buck yo. You remember the day one time we become friend? You remember the day we become friend and she said she want buck the one year and the 1 year she a talk.
The belly they are grown. Come on, pregnant. Come on. So you do. Take my mom and money. Of course.
She beat me already, so you have to get your next beating.
So me can't run.
She beat me now.
Why are you running? Listen. Eh? I'm in the fighting mode now. Why I can't run?
Take your beating. She beat me already.
Spoof of money out there. Me kill you out here.
Me can't help you.
She beat me. You know, remember say you breed. Nobody go in there.
Me not going there, girl. Me nobody go in there. You're a friend, not my friend.
She want me a beat one time. She
Fight for your friend.
People, man. I'm going to take more smoothie, man. You not stop take people, man. You not stop can people. I bet you stop. You bet you stop. Yeah, me.
Nobody kill. No. Me a beg for her. Nobody kill her.
Go
Just
see
one
your friend.
Just. She strong.
Watch me out.
Can be such a soon wall way. What would do her while ago?
Yeah, business. Oh, watch ya. Buck him one area. How we I go?
Me no want buck money, you know. Especially it one time. I want to do that.
I money me come for.
Phone one time.
So, my yard did you want to come?
Eh.
You don't want a slap. Me not have it now. Right now.
But you not have it now.
Me not have it now. Only can go look work, you know. You can't. You
We
definitely.
don't tell her so me I look no work.
You definitely should have look work. You should have work.
We should sleep and man feed we.
Right.
A lazy life that. Your mother ever sleep a man whining? No. Your mother go out there and work.
That's my mother, that's my mother.
My father.
My mother is
she
my
sleep
mother
and
me
my
is
father
me.
minor.
And I want money. I do not want to work.
I'm teaching you now 2026, right?
Mm-hmm.
New rules, new law. If you don't look work for yourself, man, you take on like football.
No, them not
No,
take
no,
like
you can't
football
take me
because we
like
have eight power
football.
body.
And
Come here.
not even like football, because we have to keep a football out yard. Because we go want to play with every day. Man on the cheat, you know, like White Sox. You know what is a White Sox?
Them not treat me like White Sox. or
No,
what
them
you
not
want
get it
call
because we
me.
just tell them say, today, give it money today and tomorrow come and we don't come.
No, I'm not saying work now. It's 2026. You know what's missing? You know, see on news.
For them business, them
How
want
much
missing.
jealousy are missing?
And them want
Because them are
missing.
idiots.
And
No
them want
friend.
to be
No, them are
missing.
idiots.
No, they operate like Uno. That's why they're missing.
Operate like me.
Uno want to take money off a man. I don't know how they get the money.
When your business how you get the money?
Uno want to with scammer.
How many get the
I
money,
don't know if it's scammer.
Near woman. Yeah, make complaint.
You don't know if it's scammer go out there, man. And when they go out there, man, every curse where they
No,
land.
your woman just give her the money. It's
I
your
do not
woman.
business boy that stop in the long talking
It's
that
not
want the
only
money.
promise her to help her with her belly. It's not the woman.
So help her and stop in there long talking.
Listen to me. You can't tell me what to do right now. All you do, prove me wrong. Get a 9 to 5.
No,
and
9
get
to 5.
95 or 15,000.
At least one cocoa full basket.
We're 15,000.
You know the money pay you.
We're 15,000 for the ear, nails, and everything.
What? Definitely no need to do it. I hate for Christmas. Not for Christmas tree, no look so. So, you laugh, is it? What kind of friend that? I laugh for you.
Girl, look
Eh?
at the Christmas tree.
Huh?
Said for you.
What kind of friend that?
Look fires, the fires they come chat about mine. I had to walk around and take people, man. I can't do your head all.
Not
You know,
again.
come chat about me. Me just take off this
Not
off and
again.
you see. Anyways,
Listen to my advice, eh? Fix up yourself.
that's
They
why me
fix
dey beg
her
your
up.
money.
Look at work.
Then,
Me no want no work.
then girl, the man fix up
When you
herself.
beg man money,
Nice. Look on the head. And him a walk around and take man.
I'm have a good day.
So you not give me money?
Have a good day because we say you soon 18, you are 18, and no make one. It's 200 if you went and
Girl, move.
Come fix it up and that you have to do.
You can't even have damn use.
Jadi billiard. I'm man, you attack me. You pick him from man tree too. Let them go. Me say if you let them go, me pick them. I'm man tree. Let it go. No manners. Who get a to pick over yourself?
Eh? I mean, I pick them?
Me ask you.
Girl, let it
Give
go.
me.
If me not get them, you not get them, you know, so me go bust up the whole of them.
No, bust them up.
No, man, give me bright. None of manners. Let me there, struggle with the piece of
I say who get authority? Who go from man tree go pick Guinea? That me ask you. Who get the authority?
come over here, sir.
Me go check my man, but you not did it.
Me and your man.
But in a yard, that's the point.
You did build over here? You did dig the foundation? You did plant the guinea tree?
Come on.
Are you not no manners?
Be careful, come out.
Red, gal. One.
Oh, come on, yard. Come on, yard. Get up off.
Yeah.
Don't bite me, no. Come out.
Come. Hey, yourself, go to her room. What about your business? Where's my guinea then?
Phil.
Eh?
Chillax. Where's that for chillax? Wait over here.
Take off for me. Is it only young girl love, man?
See me, man.
Is it only young girl? To only love, man. Only see people and peg set on them.
Because man, my life and my salvation.
You know how much water my tie travel and for come here? Look at my clothes. Yeah, give you till 5 let go my clothes.
You can go with your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Look from my head.
Don't make I well up on the sky and show you this, you know. I'm going to show you now. Come here, girl. Look at my foot. Come on, take it. Go on, boy, your business.
Girl.
Come on, take people there. Go on, little man dog.
I must back here, no, I must back here.
I want to give them. You go on them. I better say your foot there swell. Little woman dog will walk and take man everywhere you go. Your damn in body look like flux with guinea.
Oh God.
Auntie.
How are you walking and them not even look new?
No, they're not new.
You do it all broke.
Fix on guinea.
So we mind.
And you don't get the guinea them ready to come up with the counter, but what me are doing in our man yard. Leave up and take a guinea them, ever take her slippers them from her.
So hold on. What you do with all broke slippers?
Cause she fling them off of me the test, me not giving her them back. Me go about my business, I mean, I see this girl, me go, me a pick guinea off of me. One, this girl come, wait in my man yard. Wait over here. Come look for man, I'm not over here, so me have to come out.
Who name Redhead?
Redhead, the little, he one, what me can call him? He one wet bought my breed for daddy.
The empty sack?
Yes.
The one me beat up the other day?
The same one.
So tell me again, what? Come
She
in.
still leave me there, put me guinea up there. Me hear it talking. I say, what ya? She me look around and see what me are doing in her man yard. So me say, are you build a yard? Me come over, come begin not see a man. She come and her man do it. So me have to leave if her man did it. I don't say this little. You don't even know if you call her. So what I'm going to say then?
What me I do with dirty shoes?
I didn't go over man. Making
Hi. No. Me no in that. Your father might in that the foolishness, but me is into the most high here. You see me hold my meds and everything, me hold my meds. Me acknowledge and thank my most high, my creator.
Teach her next lesson again. Because I could beat her, what do you beat her again?
Alright. So what you said to her, because you are Taliban, me want to know how you, what you are.
Them, and me tell me not giving her me give them. And she push me and me push her back and also we start fight.
So hold on, so how you end up with this
She
one?
fling them and
she end up with the guinea?
She nobody not get the guinea, then them over the yard ground. She fling the crooks them off of me and run gone. Come me dirty me, I forgot beard.
Yes, baby, I forgot beard again. Alright, give me that. Me I gotta deal with her. Me I gotta deal with her case. But you see, you leave things. If you can't manage the fight, load the fight. If you start the fight, make sure you can done the fight. Here.
I'm gonna start it.
Well then make sure you can done it. Look how much food me make you yam. Good food and thing. Me now feed you up for nothing, you know. You not take last sleep from no girl or boy, but you not start it neither here.
Me have to make sure go on, man, cause right now me all tired and I just want to lie down.
Use your brains, man. And nobody in that the world, what go round, come round. When you dig a pit, what they say? You have
Dig
to
one
dig.
for yourself.
Thank you. So nobody dig no pits. Right now, me have to get ready to go down the hospital for look for your sister. Me no want go a mortuary for look for you.
Alright.
Alright.
Go up with beard and something.
Me I go deal with the case.
Yeah.
Yeah, walk and hop. Nobody run, come me done see already. Walk and hop. Before me do anything, let me feel. What you and my niece have?
I mean, if you have... Me say, one man here, them ask me what you do over here.
Your man yard and you're proud to call this your man yard? Hey? Okay, so what your man name?
That's the one with the police?
Oh, me just want to know so you not trespass because I know the owner of the yard. What your man name?
Me not get
Mr. Empty. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something here and now. You see my niece and you see my family and you see my fool brother. You go to the east, make them go to the west. Or you go to the north, make them go to the south. Yeah? Stand for me from my family empty sack, girl.
in my space. See, we got my guinea, she will gear.
You plant nothing, yeah?
I'm a man old.
Okay. Are your man on? What your man name? I true no gate the fire, so. Me know the owner parents, me know the owner grandparents, me know the owner them, no know the family for ya. Okay, so who are trespass now? Miss Empty Sack. You see when you see my family, low them. And nobody bother Miss Full brother neither with the empty sack. So stand away from him. If you don't want me to deal with, stay away from my family here. Dirty drunk girl.
Never stop yapping.
Wow. Champion bubbler. Wow, looking beautiful.
Hello.
Hello, good day.
Good day.
How you doing, beautiful?
I'm okay. You?
Doing fine, seeing you. I'm like your right bump and your left body peg. Look smooth. So, you from around here?
Yeah.
You have a boyfriend?
No, I'm single.
Yeah?
But at this moment, I don't think I need no man.
What you talking about, champion bubbler?
Me no want no man because the man they me always pick up, they not mind me. I mean, right now, me feel like I just relax by myself. Me no need no man right now.
You look for me. Once a day my foot and I have to think about mine. Me have everything in a process ready and deliver and done for you.
So one of them say I start.
Listen to me, man. No man never tell you that yet. How me talk and me alone, God make talk so. So listen to me. It's not will link up, man. You can get things down to the right way. You see it?
Right now, we don't even know. We don't even know. We have to think about that first.
So relax the brain, no man.
As I said before, we don't really want no man right now. I'm single, I like the way I am.
I'm not a man, baby. I'm a superstar. Don't you see superstar shining when time you walk? Look at me. I'm a superstar, baby.
So you think if you get a chance?
I don't think, I know. Once you work with the flow, everything's gonna go.
Alright. We'll get a chance and see how far this go.
This a go way
past
past the thing.
your words though.
I mean, this a go way past the thing, baby love. Me I tell you. You see me?
Come on, Tyson. Tyson about me.
Why?
Nothing else say.
I know you look hotter than the sun, man. I'm telling you no lie.
So what about you? You single?
I mean, I'm ready to mingle. When I was single, moon, I try to fit in myself with you.
Oh, no, yeah, look how you look. You could have been single?
Yeah.
Liar thing.
So what wrong?
Me not believe that.
Not for you to believe, so this for you to know. Okay? And work with the flow.
Well, anything you say.
The thing me say that a law. See, pray. You have to know a code.
Just make sure you're single, you know. I don't want you to know buckle with no girl, you know.
When I deal with bottom, man, I want to be a baby love, man.
Watch here. Well, murder. You're not going to
So you say single?
You know what they say? If me not go home to Papa, I'm a brother.
How Papa?
Brother.
Papa, I'm a brother.
I'm man.
Papa have one sister.
man.
What's sister name?
Charmian. Papa, I'm a brother. And Charmian, I'm my sister.
That's a lie. She there with surprise. She there with Popeye. She there with Job One. It's two of them. I think there's more.
Yeah, me saw no more.
I think there's more.
Don't listen to them here. Papa, I'm a brother. Charmian, I'm my sister.
Yeah, so my
And Job One, I'm a cousin. Far cousin though. Why would I tell lies I'm single? Why would I do that?
If you want Picard,
Cause that's the boy good school but
yeah, we man. You're not go up see a man. I bet me see a man and tell him.
You see you? You see you?
Lie them a tell.
Tell me what you. Lie them a tell.
And look how they look too. Hungry. Only looks of a young girl. Look on her head.
Look on you.
You want to do it for me?
Look on you. You want to do it?
You look like when
You
Batty
want
Beck.
to do it?
I look on you.
You want to do it?
You look like in a bed for 3 days.
Thank you. You want to beg me?
Mighty God.
Say cook you want. Try to chuck ya.
No worry yourself.
Look funny chuck here and face. You look better than phone. Phone face look raggy like you know spread up for how much days now. Look on you. For your body root. Oh, my young girl look so 6 stomach.
I said they intern all over the place with all kind of different man.
Okay, you big woman, you carry yourself so neat and nice to pay here. And then here just raggy and look.
As well, me say you look good, so woman I go try find a way of it.
And me see them, me say, ew.
Well, let me get a number and we can link up.
You know, smell young with here, let me hear. All in this attack.
Come with yourself.
Not even ram goat balls to rotted. I can't believe. Me need to know for them parents. Because me have to give them a warning. Oh, my number?
Yeah. Me call you.
323.
323.
9468.
9468.
And you know, 701 I front part of me area code is it.
Yeah. Your name? You never tell me your name.
Superstar, then call me, man. Me not tell you that, man.
Alright, I'm Tiana.
I call me one link, is it?
Okay.
And your family, them?
No, I don't know them.
Them friends like a bow hog to rotted, my young little girl at top. And I mind fast one people business. I tell people lie. Like me they want, you know?
Anyways.
Me no want a little pitney, you know?
I go deal with some open road. And me text you. You use WhatsApp?
Yeah, man, me use every app, man. Nowadays, man, me tells me a superstar.
Me link you.
Alright.
And we see what can go on from this here.
Alright.
Alright.
Take up yourself. Jesus, yes!
I'm hot, man.
What's the one here? She, we can get no money.
Yes, my brother, and it's my money.
I like you him or something.
Hey, little girl, I told me too hot for deal with little moderns like you, you know. Little chichi like you. Cause all you do, know how to do, and nyam wood. You nyam the wood for inside out. Little chichi girl, move from me.
You call me chichi girl, what are you?
Me a big woman. And let me tell you something, when the fart when I get what the dog get. Wow.
Holy. You know smell all them holy?
That's why me have to stand so far, my friend.
You smell the scent that come from the scene and I wonder wait, are you the trouble too?
I try.
You sure near who you smell?
Underneath your pad fingers, underneath your.
Look find them a two little invalid that we really can't talk to. This the one that head for your dry coconut. That the one they head for your rotten guinea.
Come and do it.
Oh God, no.
Come and do it.
Wait. Since you have a problem, come and do it.
She looks senile. She look disabled.
Me true.
Just like you.
And then they even dress proper.
But not good.
Now your jeans will catch it.
I want for your cockroach.
Now your jeans it come from.
Never use pad. I don't even know
Yeah.
how to describe it.
Use for
I don't even know how to describe it.
Look funny.
You're just cranny.
Little girl, you can't come up on roadside look so. Your head no comb. You the drag up.
Sometimes you have to have ear mad day.
I'm more than here, my day you have, my little girl.
Like water mix with him.
Everything mixed with him.
One day I'll body blood up. I don't know if a baby see my just.
Which part my body blood?
Little girl, you're supposed to be a woman. That's true, man. What kind of dopey trouble, you know?
Smell like why?
What kind of dopey box, you know?
Well, let me tell you something. When I get what the dog get here, cause my brother and my money I use, I'm gonna go down the bank and lock it off. So all the rum, all the things, when better find a way, cause I'm not no more.
Hungry. Look at one
Yes. No, you know, see nothing yet. Me lock off my brother money. But them that chichi and yummy mouth for.
Drunk.
So,
No,
wait.
you look hungry.
A chichi making tea illness, no?
Aye. It rotten it out long time, toppling. Now it a rotten out the head too.
Like
You know, so the head picky.
Like
Daddy,
you close them all for
you
wrong
tell
side
you
and
that
turn
this
in
is me with this a thing here. Go and buy a clothes.
Same thing
Oh dear. Go change your pad.
under your
Tampax you for push up there, nothing else, yeah?
same thing under your crotch, dry head, thinking, pilly bottom.
Me don't know what them young girl now, you know.
Maybe disrespect them, you know? Cause they don't know me and they try to draw me out.
No, make them draw you out, toppling. Cause when you see them and walk, then draws out a door. You can't. Them are mad people.
See it?
Just laugh after them and go on.
The one look senile. The whole lane smell away since them past. Not even the dead dog what they have from last week.
That run way gone. Because I forgot to fly up to heaven and go run left.
Come here one day, I call you supposed to be seeing me whenever you smell so one time I look, me say, them beside you. Me say,
After you could have never surrendered for put me in that the category. After many years, you know me.
Yeah, you get me? And one time I see them I say, never. That's why
never. Right. Me gone. Alright, little more, yeah?
Good on so single all the saint on the road, man, can name pass, man. Nothing getting up and dry coconut trash head, man.
Alright, fine. Finally, let me get to see you now. It's like everybody passed through and gone, so at the right time. So, what going on now?
But there,
I say you said you go help me out, you know, with me pregnancy. Someone no, I say that promise is a promise. So I want to know who is going to go, cause I start up one little business so before the baby come out, so some would want like about 200,000. I want you
200,000 for do.
to start up one little business.
You don't need too much money to start up a little business.
Of course.
You're saying you're going to start up a little business. You can use $10,000 to start up a little business.
I can't start up business.
You didn't know say somebody buy me a bag of bag juice right now. Me can flip that one bag of bag
I don't want to
juice.
do that. I never tell you say that more.
You didn't know that?
I don't want to do that.
You didn't know that?
Me know that.
Enough of we. So we too greedy. We want to start off big and flap ourselves.
Me want to start out big.
When you start off in life, you start off small. You elevate yourself.
200,000.
No.
If you were you there.
That check your man. Oh God.
One thing they might go
No, sir.
I pray for you, babes.
You just the falla back of me so.
One thing they look a young girl, yeah.
I pray for you. Hashabaka taka tuka. Hesh.
Me don't want no prayer.
Shut up. You think me I eat that?
I pray for you.
Every day is a new girl come over here for money. If I know 100 or 200, 300, 400, I saw 1,000,000 too. What's wrong with you? You can't keep us in your pants.
It's already in there. You know, come see it in there.
Jesus Christ. Are you everywhere me go me see you? Me then tell us
So what if you see me? So what we are not one other. So what
me then tell us me go buck you.
Hour.
Me never tell us me go buck you.
Let go for me. Let go for me for out here. Let go for me. Me no want to take this and bust up your head, you know, cause I feel like see a big, I feel like see a big bust up head in front of your man. Woo! Bust up your head. Let go for me.
You know what? Give me this and go on.
Let go for me.
Give me.
Me put it on. Me put it
no,
on.
give me and go on.
Put it on. Me put it on.
Give me and go on. Go on your yard. You see you?
What do you mean now?
Truth, I'm gonna calm my nerves, you know, cause
Where are you?
even left none for you either. Me not say nothing to you. Let me just calm my nerves first. You want them at you police are come for you. Police are come for you.
I mean, tell government say Fit say what you say? Okay.
Don't worry yourself.
Me and her there? Help me help her
Don't worry
out.
yourself.
Me and her never lay down yet.
Me a go come go
I'm in mind now. Look on you when me here lay down with me now. See nothing up here. Salt this a coming in my life. You salt. Every time me you lay down at night time, me dey a bar. You salt.
Me what?
Huh?
Me what?
You're fresh.
Me what?
Fresh, baby, fresh.
You see, if me never love you, me boss say out here and go left you. Me just candidate. You hear me say? Alright.
But you salt with you. Hello. Alright. Shall book, I shall put you out. Alright. Oh.
Papa,
Oi.
look how long me I call you.
How long you call you?
You, look how long me come and I call you.
What you want? What your problem?
Say you good do.
Something do me?
So me can't say if you good.
If me never good, but I have me head, me hand on my head, so right?
Well, right now me no good and it's my hand on my head.
Why you not good?
Because me lose the baby.
You lose it? I gotta help you.
Somebody gotta help me.
Cause that baby they would have suffer.
I'm gonna need money to do surgery or something. Or roughly 700,000.
700 for the what kind of surgery? How far in you there?
On the belly. I keep what me go do it.
No. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Put it down.
I feel me and feel one.
I feel me on. Put it down.
Open in the panny.
And my, hey,
Lady.
me dust you already, you know. Me dust you again.
You're in the mood right now.
Anything that on this your table and my money, buy it.
Hello. You look off your account for me now. Come me go a bank.
Uh-huh.
And I try to draw $25,000. I mean, I see no money I come out. Me say decline. Me try again. 20. Nothing I come out. Me try again. 10. Nothing I come out. I mean, me try the least $1,000. Me see something wrong with the card. Nothing I come out.
Brother, nothing wrong with the card.
So why the money now come out and you
So you know try
Have beer and
Hey,
Jack on the table.
Kai, me know how my brother drink. From dragon there on the table, I this in chase it with.
But you can't
And
mix
this I him screw bottom.
We can mix beer and Jagan.
Tell him
I'm go sit up.
that
Because but if we mix them together, some put in say sitting and say what about it if I go away, just let it go start water.
So we are trying to imply. What are you implying?
Beer and Jagan can't mix. Remember, almost from $1 and I drink the beer and Jagan and you shit up. Me I talk to you.
Me I look for me
she
to
talk to you.
No, only thing that I look more water that.
But you don't have your money by you know.
Which part?
Me
Which part?
Me say me go
1.2678.67 cents million matter Jamaican. Run that by me. Me do my calculation. Run it. Popcorn would I say run it. Run it now. Run it now.
So you say you money for this surgery?
Yeah, money now. Yeah, money for
Because
the
I'm not
surgery.
baby, you know.
You empty sack loss. Are you still so fat?
Sis, do me a favor.
Yes, my brother.
Please,
What is that, my brother?
free up back your card, no?
Make you what? Your violin, your music truck. Me call it that straight up. You not tell me in a yard, say, me not for come in yard, me not welcome on the yard. You choose it over my knees for your blood. And go and bossy, eh? And then as soon as she says she go buy a rum or case of rum, you switch it. So switch it back.
Please, please. You know why
You
know why your brother thief?
No, sir.
You know why
I don't most me ever hear you say please.
you know why me beg? Please.
Beg now coming off the beg too. I saw brother and sister, you know.
Please, no.
What you doing, Mara girl?
Fun, me hot.
Bypass a
Hey, Dusty girl, take your crosses, crouches off of me thing. Now make, hey, now make no washing of this thing, girl. Leg of me thing, now make the dash it in a fire.
I can't listen to you now for the
Don't touch me thing with your crouches, self, because see the fleas, them a walk on you. Move and go along.
Lady, me know you talk to me.
Try. Me don't see what, hey, I should be drink rum, now move yourself, happy. Go on with the empty buckle. Okay, now no one more forget. In here, run gone.
What a careless father that Papa is
Back
Papa.
club.
Him love rum more than him family now work a shaman. Money him a drink out shaman. Lock down the account. What stress now con Papa passa passa. Yes, him is a careless father. Abe passa passa. Be passa.